Good morning, Tradeify Nation. Welcome back to another London session stream. It's July 2nd. I forgot to say happy first day of the month yesterday, so happy second day of the month today, guys. I cannot believe we are already 6 months into this year. Wild. I don't even know where this year it's gone. It happens every year, I swear, but it's just getting even faster. Anyway, I hope you guys have crushed it today. If you've been trading, if you traded the Asia session, I hope you guys killed it. I hope you guys are ready to kill it with us, well, with me right now and with us later on in the London session today for another 3-hour banger session. Yesterday, we hit record numbers here in the London session. I mean, we're talking, we hit 1.2 thousand likes yesterday. That is crazy. That is unheard of for the London session. So W's to you guys. I say, why not shoot for the moon? I'm saying 1.3 thousand likes today. Can we do it? I know we can. It's just whether you guys want to drag it on, or if we get there, we can give accounts away. You know how this works. You get the likes, we do the account giveaways. That's all you have to do. So I'm going to put it out there, 1.3 thousand likes. If we get there, we'll do something crazy with our giveaway today. Sorry, if Nick's listening, I've already made that decision. 1.3 thousand, and we will do something crazy. All right, but I hope everyone is ready for a lock-in session right now. I'm looking at NQ. We are 1 minute into the Frankfurt Open. So let's have a look what's happened overnight. And from yesterday's daily close, we did have a daily bearish candle close here yesterday, so not the continuation that I would have expected after closing above a swing high on the daily. I was expecting to see more of a continuation to take out these highs, but that's all right. Yet another pullback on NQ, so we are still within this sort of tight range on NQ. If I can draw this little box that we're in right now, around this. So we're sort of like up and down right now on the daily, but I'm expecting after this big bullish run that we did see on NQ, this is just a bit of a consolidation, nothing crazy. I do expect us to continue this move upwards at some point. It's just a matter of when. But yeah, I'm not expecting any sort of bearish correction to the downside or anything like that. I'm just seeing this as more of a pullback, and then eventually we will get up into these levels at these relatively equal highs anyway, at around 30,975.50. That's definitely a level that I'm watching on an NQ to the upside. Dropping down here, we've got the 4-hour time frame. Again, we did have this bullish run sort of Monday took off. We did take out a significant swing point here on NQ, but we failed to get all the way up again to those equal highs. So we're seeing more of a pullback of that move right now that happened. That was sort of New York afternoon session leading into Asia session overnight. And what we have from the Asia session is not much of a range here. We're 287 point range here from Asia session. So not the largest, but not small. Like, it is significant. We are currently trading inside of that range. I can see that Asia came down. It dropped below this New York low from yesterday, which was also very close to previous day low as well. So that is Tuesday's low. Tuesday's New York low is this level here. That is 29,997. So we did drop. We had a nice sweep and reaction at that Tuesday's New York low. That was also very close to previous day low there. So those relatively equal lows have now been taken. Asia started to make the move, and now we look like we are starting to drop back down. So I am not too sure where I want to take this session right now. The previous 4-hour low has been swept, but I am looking at how we have had 3 hours of bearish closure candles on NQ here, and I'm expecting potentially to take out this Asia low before expecting a move back up. I'm watching all these stacked sort of lows here from Monday. They are an area of price I'm also watching, which is very close to that Asia low level. So if you're in shorts, I think you're safe. I think this is definitely the play. But once we get to this Asia low level, these sort of stacked lows here, I will be considering longs. We're also, if we do get down into Asia low, we'll be tapping back into this 4-hour bullish gap, which is perfect. That is always an A+ setup. So let's see if we can get that A+ long out of here, but definitely bullish now for the session to see how we go with that. but let me know, chat. Are you in any trades right now? Have you been in any trades? Are you in a trade? Let me know. Long, short, nothing, sideways, whatever you guys are in, let me know. Also, I forgot to do my good morning. What the hell is this? That's not a good sign. When do I ever not say good morning to you guys? So one, a quick good morning, Ryan. Good morning, Southern Boy. Good morning, Naruto Trading. Good morning, Jalen Trades. Good morning, Chris Stevens. Maxwell Trading. Good morning, Zifnab, Hell's Paradise, Ruin, Vandy, Umar. Good morning, Dim Trades. Good morning, Super Trades. Good morning, Andrea. Good morning, Pratiksha. Good morning, Inizio, Mixie, Spaltaza, Quantumuk, Cameron. The African, Initial Maverick, Balaji, Birdie, the gang is here. Everyone's here. G for Geo, Mazzoni, Garden. Good morning to you all. I hope everyone's ready. Now, let's see. Yes, who's in shorts? So Quacker's in shorts. Sean Galate, short to low. Good morning, Leia. She just put a massive Celine in the chat. All right, and Roman has a poll in there as well to just let us know whether you're bullish, bearish, or flat. I'm definitely bullish. Good morning, good morning. Buenos dias, Danny Nime. Good morning, House Paradise. Jonathan McKee, what's happening? Not a whole lot, Jonathan, not a whole lot. We are just about very close to that Asia low level. I will be watching that. There was some good opportunities for me, at least, in the Asia session, but I was not trading. It is 9 a.m. here, so Asia session is middle of my night. So I think I'm officially not going to be able to trade Asia session. Not that I did before, but this was kind of a clean selling, sizing in opportunity that was happening. That's about, what time is that? 10 p.m. Around just after 10 p.m. Eastern. There was a whole bunch of opportunities there, but this is what I mean. There will always be another opportunity to get into a trade. It doesn't matter if these trades were ones that I was in or not, because there's always going to be another good opportunity to short or long this market. So I am okay with missing those trades. Carlos, still got to ask for the indicators. We are what, 7 minutes into this stream already? We're on the indicators. All right, you know what? That's fine, Carlos. The indicators. This one is fairly available. This is the sessions and key levels one that I use. This one here, sessions and key levels. Go for it. And then this is the indicator that visualizes and helps print my setup. There's a link to that one in my bio. All right. Yes, Craig says expect not too much prior to NFP today. Actually, that's a good point. We do have a bank holiday tomorrow. We have NFP Thursday coming out. Today we have wait, let's bring up Forex Factory. But yeah, we do have that data release at 8:30. Average hourly earnings, NFP, unemployment rate, all the good stuff. So there will be some volatility in the New York session today. Absolutely. I don't know what this London session is going to be like, though, considering that. Hopefully we get, I mean, we are making a move here as of the Frankfurt session. So we could potentially get some moves. I'm not the type of person that's just not going to take a trade because NFP is coming up. I will still wait for my setups. I understand it might be a bit of a slower, choppier move, but look, if there's a clean trade, I'm going to take it. Jalen Trade says, what is this song that plays every stream? I actually have no idea. I don't know if that's something we have access to. It's a song. I think it's like, I don't know, copyright free. I have no idea. I don't know where we get that stuff, but it's a sick tune. I know. We have no bottom wick on the weekly candle. Yes, something I'm also eyeing up levels to the downside is previous week's low. So where is that in relation to this? So previous week low is all the way down here. But as you can see, there is some stacked liquidity going on around previous week lows. We have these relatively equal lows, and whenever we have this sort of looking price action on NQ, we never leave price that smooth. I mean, it doesn't mean it's going to happen today, but I am looking to these levels as a potential reversal at level. It's very clean. We have that level being 29,160.50. And as you can see, the weekly, that would flip the weekly bearish, because right now the weekly has a little too, I mean, there's a very tiny bottom wick on that weekly candle. But I doubt it with the bank holiday tomorrow. I very much doubt that we will be getting that bearish move today. That would be pretty wild. But we'll see. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. That weekly candle can flip bearish in one whole day. That's true. The African, I'm bullish, no trade yet, waiting on setup to draw liquidity at 36.50. Nice. Yeah, that's my target today. Amazing. Great. Well, I am also looking for longs, guys. At the moment, I don't like anything yet. Asia low is very much looking like the target we're about to take out very soon. Happy that we're at least making a move from this Frankfurt Open, because sometimes we get into this session and then nothing happens. But we'll see. Did you update Nick with the new London record? I bet. You know what? We're gonna update Nick with the new London record when he comes in. I mean, he might have been with us yesterday, or he might have. You know what? No, I doubt he would have seen it. We'll tell him. We'll drop the news on him today. Also, hey, the other news I have to drop on him is England vs Congo. What did I say? That's what I'm going to say. What did I say? I know I was a little nervous when I saw they were up 1-0. Congo was up 1-0 against England, which is crazy. But you know who always comes through with the bets? Me. So I want to find out if he actually ends up putting money on it. Also check if he's Congo man. Oh, that's another theory we have to check out. That is true, guys. But we didn't see any Congo man yesterday. And we also didn't see any Nick. Jonathan says, Sling, want to know the bet I made with Nick? I also made a bet from New York stream. Okay, what was it? I do want to know. No, Yash, sorry, I don't have a Discord. Rios, hi, how do you find your bias? I tried to backtest your strategy, couldn't find bias. Most of the time I was on the wrong side of the market. The bias for me is based on the 4-hour. So when I have a sweep of a previous 4-hour low, a previous 4-hour high, I determine the direction I want to take in the London session. So it doesn't determine my bias for the day, for the week, or anything like that long term. But absolutely, when there is a sweep of that previous 4-hour high or low, that is the London move that I'm going to make. Kip Coris Simon says, with this run for Asia low, I made $40, which makes me pass my 20% consistency score. Finally eligible for my first ever payout. Let's go. That's so exciting. Oh, the first payout feels the best, the highest of highs you'll ever feel. But that's amazing. So happy for you. There's always winners in here in the chat. Love hearing about that. Who else is passing accounts or getting those payouts today? Buy high, cry high. Good morning, Celine. Sports bet update with Nick. You know what? I actually forgot to put my money on the game yesterday. But I'm glad that we have it on stream saying I said England is going to win. So there. At least we have it live. We've got the receipts of it. I said England for the win. I would back them 100%. I would have put money, but I forgot. I forgot that we had that going on. Why so sad, Celine? The business lens. What you talking about? Just a fun Celine from Australia. Yes, sorry, Denate says, Celine, where are you from? I'm from Australia, but living in Greece. Also lived in Bali. I'm a bit all over the place, but no, officially from Greece, but from Australia, but living in Greece. Guys, can you tell I haven't had a coffee this morning? Leia says, I passed a 25K growth account you gave me last Saturday, Celine. Let's go, Leia. Let's go. That didn't take you long at all. Hey, that's record timing. Amazing. Make that free money now. Jonathan says, well, I bet Nick a pizza if Congo win. I get him one. And of course, one for me. If when England win. Well. So that means that guy owes you pizza today. I'm very excited to hear about that. Ripster, she's happy dude, new house, new vibes, let's go. Ripster knows. Ripster gets it. Ripster knows. It's always like the best vibes when you first move into your own home. Like the vibes are high, guys. You look tired and sleepy. Guys, I'm not that tired. I'm actually really I feel like I'm having a great, yesterday I had a great sleep. I was so, I did the full 2 hours of the stream yesterday with no caffeine. That was just straight energy, straight vibes. Today's the same. No caffeine. I'm just straight vibing. I'm vibing. I'm in the new house, new country. London gang is back together. By the way, yes, working on the back setup. Everyone knows who was here yesterday. I took some ideas down. And that is my project over the next couple of weeks to get some things for my setup in the background here. All right, yes, we did take Asia low on NQ here, and this gray box is the 4-hour bullish gap. So right now, if I get a long opportunity, I will be taking it because XYZ has happened. We've had a sweep of previous 4-hour low, so we're lower than the previous 4-hour low. We've swept Asia low. We're also tapping into a bullish higher time frame 4-hour gap. So these are all the things that I mark out as being an AA plus setup. So if the conditions are met here for an inversion, I will be taking that. So let me just make sure my accounts are set. I'm just gonna see what that risk would be. Around 27 points. I'll take it. Pre-London trade. We love this. Andrea, what are they saying? That is just her natural state, chat. Chat, I am not. I'm full of energy right now. I can't believe you guys are saying that. I actually had a really good sleep. Are you holding down the fort solo again today? No. So we will have Nick back on today. Yes, it is a full London session. We are back together today. No inversion. Can't take it. Damn. Didn't get that inversion on the 1 minute, so I'm not trading this. It just means I might need to increase the risk here. Don't go too far in Q. Please don't go too far. Oh no. Oh no. All right, if we get this inversion, I will long this. It's just that I'm a bit annoyed because that last candle almost was the inversion and then it wicked down right at the last second. Now my stop size has been increased. All right. Looks like we are going to get this inversion. 1 second. Yeah. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. I've entered the long. Just gonna put the orders in. Okay, taking a partial off at 1-to-1, which will be based off this low. So 30 points would be just here, 30,008. Okay, that is the partial. And then I'm gonna aim the rest for, I'm going to go for previous 4-hour high. I think that is definitely a level we can get back to since we had this sort of like significant drop since that level. I'm going to be aiming back up there, but let's see. That level is 23675. 236. Well, that is a large target. Just realizing that now. That would be, if this trade hits, oh shit. Like a 260 point move. I very much doubt that's happening in the London session, but you know what? If it does, I'm here for it. Let me just make sure. I think I moved my orders. Oh no, we're good. All right. This is the trade. And we'll see what happens. All right, what are you guys saying? Is your high time frame weekly? My high time frame is the 4 hours. So this this indicator here, which tells me like when I should be seeing a plus setup sort of thing. This is linked to the 4 hours. So the high time frame here you see is 4 hour. The intermediate is 15. That's just something I change myself. So that's in this setting in the indicator. You can select which time frame is your high time frame and which time frame is your intermediate. But let's see. It was a nice reaction so far off Asia low. We have made the move, but we want to make more of a move. Carlos says, thanks, I already have it. And the indicator that shows the bias under what name? Can I find that? Oh, the bias, again, that's linked to my own way of trading. That bias is linked to what I wait to look for in the market. It's linked to this indicator. Yeah. So that might not be for everyone. That's just the way I read the market, the way I trade the London session. So it might not be suitable to you all, how you all read bias. Why stop loss 39.5? The reason is this low here is somewhere where I would have originally put my stop a few months back. But this year, that has not been playing out nicely. I have been getting way too many times wicked out at this low, which would have been like a 30-point stop, which I would be fine with. But it's just the fact that NQ so many times will come down and wick that area and then make the move. So I was sick of getting wicked out of my trades pretty much. This is something also Nick had advised me to do, was like, just give your trades a bit more space. So I now just hover my stop like a few points below. I mean, that low is 9.4, what's that low? 9.4750, and I'm at 3.9. So like 8 points, it's not going to kill the account. And it just allows me to give it a little bit of breathing room, knowing NQ, the way it wants to react at swing points. Yeah. So yes. Yeah, this market has been wicking. Absolutely. This market has been crazy wicking and very much wild. Ripster. Yes, agreed. So wait, chat, I just remembered no one's asked me about the likes, and I'm going to set like goals already. Like, we need 300 likes to bring Nick on. That's just a must. I said 1,300 likes just to be crazy and see if we can get another record in the London session today. But for real, we need 300 likes to bring Nick on. And then I'm going to say 400 likes for the first giveaway. 400 is easy. What should I do? 425. 425 likes for the first giveaway, 300 to bring Nick on. We can easily smash that. Yesterday we smashed 1,200 likes, so no doubt you guys have got this. Yes, there is an untapped daily BC below. That is right. That is here. Just below, pretty much just below where my stop is here. Not just because that's there though, that's not gonna not stop me from getting into a trade. Like all the reasons to be in this trade are there. Considering there is the daily BC there is not going to stop me. It's something to consider, but it's not going to stop me from actually entering this trade. So that's why I'm still in this with micros. I'm happy with that. And if it does stop me out and we do tap lower into this daily BC, the second setup is going to be even cleaner for me. So that's fine. It's still worth the risk, is what I'm saying. I'm not going to not enter a trade because we're too close to a level, because so many times that has made me miss out on so many great trading opportunities. So just because the daily BC is there doesn't mean shit, pretty much. Market makers targeting Colleen stops. Maybe not. We're still alive, guys. Baz Trade says, just have to remind everyone that it's to like the stream, not the hearts in the chat. Yes, 100%. Thank you, Baz. It's the thumbs up button that we need. Good morning to Breens. Tina, are you bearish? Tina, is this NQ? Are you bearish? Yes, this is NQ. I'm not currently bearish. I'm bullish, and I'm currently in a long. TF change. Celine, can you explain all your entry models? All of them? Well, pretty much the entries I will take is either an IFVG, if there's too much of a stop, if the inversion is just like a 60 point, 70 point candle, I'm not going to ever take that at market and have my stop at, because I like to have my stop at the low of that. Then I'll enter off a 1 minute FVG that's been retraced into. So at the high of that, what else? That's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Only those two are the actual like executions that I'll take the entry. Yeah, that's it. I just need 65 to hit for my winning day. All right, let's go, Arthur. You got this. You need 65 in profit? Good morning, Mon Carlos. No, Mon Carlo Gonzalez. Hopefully by next week's markets are going to come down a bit and we get good price action. Hopefully, I really hope that. But yes, we do have NFP today. So maybe it is going to be a bit more of a choppy London session, which we don't love, but also it's to be expected, I guess. You need 965. Oh, you're in shorts, Arthur. Okay, well, I hope you get 965. And then I hope that I get TP as well. All right, I'm going to check these. I'm going to check where this poll went, because we had, all right, 50% bullish, 33% bearish, 17% flat. All right, so actually half of you are with me today in the bulls. I don't know how I feel about that. Usually when we're mixed, it's not a good day for trading. I mean, this is looking like now it's going to take us out lower. Don't like how this 15-minute candle is closing. After wicking this Asia low level, would have wanted to have a stronger 15-minute candle close here. At least a bullish candle. Let's at least get that. But that wick being left behind now is not looking too nice. Good morning, Akbar. Good morning. It looks like a lowercase h pattern to me. It feels like that. Yeah, it definitely feels like we are. Oh, I still have the markings from yesterday. Damn. But we'll see. Yes, in a long. Market will test 900 to 920. Well. If we want to test 900 to 920, I will be well and truly out of this. I hope not, but this is starting to look like a where I got in long was, oh, get that out of here. Where I got in long was more of the pullback to continue this bearish move. So we could be dumping here. We could be seeing a very bearish London session, but it's worth the risk for me. Everything else was, oh my gosh, what is happening? everything else is lined up beautifully in this in terms of market structure. It's just that we're currently selling off. So trying to take that inversion when we've been bearish pretty much all morning in Asia. That's the only thing here. Good morning, Petru, Lucian. I literally wrote a rule within the last 4 weeks that absolutely prevents me from taking this exact entry. You got more balls than me, man. Well, yes, I'm happy to risk. I mean, this is a full contract. This is 4 contracts on a 150K account. So it's very small size because it is a lower probability trade. I know that, being that it is bearish market structure that I'm buying into. And I'm trying to pretty much pick that this low is the low of the London session and hoping to get the reversal off there. But it was still worth the risk. Yes, lower probability, but still worth the 4 contracts for me to try that. Everything else, like rules wise for me, is there. You have the sweep of Asia low, you've got previous 4-hour low sweep, you have the 4-hour gap tap, everything else is clean. So I'm happy to be risking this. That's the thing. If you ever get into trades, as long as they follow your rules, that's all you need to be across. Follow your rules, you accept the risk, even if it's a little on the lower probability side, like context wise, like you can have A+ setups, A setups, B+ setups. Like I know this is more of like a B+, but I'm still happy with the risk that I've gone into trade with. So that way I'm okay with this. What does 550 contracts mini mean? Is it per trade? Donna, I'm not sure I understand your question. First Trade says, here we go to the moon. Well, we'll see. We're getting a bit more of a push now. I do want to see, is this the new? Yeah. We got to have a bullish 15-minute candle closure. Come on. Go, 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 NQ, go. Eric is not in today. Who's Eric? Cool Zebras. Who is Eric? Do you mean Nick? That's funny. Good morning, Siruluki. Asking me what my breakfast was today. The usual yogurt with granola and some fruit. So very boring. Very boring indeed. All right, we are very close to hitting first TP here. Very nice, because we were close to getting stopped out, but we held, and now we are within a few points of that TP level. So let's see if we can get TP1. If we get TP1, I will be going break even as usual. And then we'll let the rest run. We now refer to Nick as Eric. Nick no longer exists. Wait, who's this Eric? Eric got banned by Spud and Tyler last night. Who is Eric, chat? So wait, Eric is your new name for Nick? What is the context there? I need the background. Ashluberanu. I took my profit on the first move already and missed the second one. In terms of this long, you've already taken profit. I mean, where I entered, it only went up like 15 points, but I guess if you're scalping, sure. But there hasn't been an opportunity for me to take profits yet. I'm very strict on taking it off at 1-to-1, but I mean, fair. If you already took money out of this, then you must be a quick scalper. Because the market has barely moved. Dennis is, hi Selena, I chatted with Spud yesterday and he can't wait to do co-host with you, him as a potato and you as a pineapple. Why me as a pineapple? Who said Celine is going to be a pineapple ever on this stream? Guys, you guys can't be planning this for me while I'm not there. I never agreed to being a pineapple on stream. I got other ideas, but not pineapple. Make it make sense. Why am I the pineapple? Roman, don't give them ideas. Dennis said, you said it yesterday? I never said I was going to be a pineapple. When did I say I was going to be a pineapple? You guys are crazy. Apparently they're buying a fish suit as well. Who is buying a fish suit? What the hell? Make a pineapple. What is going on? You're the pineapple because you're sweet. Oh, okay, I'll take that. But I also I'm not coming on this stream dressed as a pineapple. Wait, so Nick said, I'm sorry for what I've done, Eric. Nick, what is this? What is this? I've missed so much. When, Dennis? When did I talk about this pineapple thing? Nick would have a receipt. Amia, yes, copy trading. I'm starting to think I'm banned, lol. Why? Lol, you gotta watch the other stream segments. I should. I need to actually, but I was so busy I could not jump on the stream. So someone needs to catch me up about Eric. Bodie Trade says, I remember it clearly. Slim was talking about how much she liked SpongeBob and then said DJ Nick has his spud, so she was going to be a pineapple. What? Guys, this just never happened. I never said I was obsessed with SpongeBob. What the hell? Are you talking about Nick? Nick loves SpongeBob. I never said I love SpongeBob. Try putting words in my mouth. Don't put words in my mouth. Yeah, I heard that too. You said you were going to be a pineapple on the stream. Nick, shut up. Nick, you guys are all trolling. I never said this. Find me the receipt. Find me the receipt, Nick. I never spoke about SpongeBob at all yesterday. Guys, you guys are all ganging up on me. Everyone's ganging up on me today. Stop getting trolled, Celine. I know. I mean, what the hell? All right. I don't know why I still continue to fall for this bullshit. Oh, guys. I should have learned by now. But sometimes it's like new usernames that I've never seen before. Like, obviously, when Justin, like Marcos or Nick in here says something, I'm like, all right, these guys are trolls. But when it's these like new names, I'm like, who the hell is this guy telling me I said that? All right. Oh, we just came within very close of that first TP. Can we hit that? TP is at 00850. Ooh, that high was 007.75, so just less than a point there. Come on, NQ. Don't hold us up here. Shoot for the moon. Come on. No, it's all right. You know what? We've barely... How long have we been in this trade now? Let's see. Entry was at 219 and it's now 238. So, okay. A little long. We should start to get some sort of move. I don't really want this to come back to take me out now. We broke structure here. We did have a market structure shift on the 1 minute, which makes it a lot nicer to be in this long now that we actually have a market structure shift confirmed, because otherwise we would have just kept selling off here and we would have very much been in a bearish trend. But here now, at least there's a market structure shift. So that is good. That is good. We'll mark that up. Nick's like, you're finding this trade. My target is much higher. Relax, zoom out, breathe. 5 minute chart. Okay. All right, Nick's right. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Okay, zooming out, zooming out. Nick, my full target is very much very high. 233, like just under that previous 4 hour high. I don't know where yours is, but there you go. Geez, what's with the caps today, Nick? Stop yelling. Okay, well, zooming out makes you feel a lot better. There you go. Wise words from Nick. Zoom out and breathe. If you ever catch yourself on the 1 minute and like price is just, you're feeling very stressed because it feels like it's not going anywhere and we're chopping, whatever. You just gotta zoom out at least the 5-minute. Look, nothing's happened. Nick's right, nothing has happened. I came within a point of that TP, but it's chill, nothing's happened. We're still alive, we're holding. We have the confirmed market structure shift now as well. That's the 5-minute candle now. There is a break of structure and a shift of market structure now, so that's always good. Let's see. I won't stop yelling. Well, then I won't bring you on the stream. How about that? And Gia says, I'm watching The Office. Good luck, guys. Not going to trade the London session. The Office is one of my favorite shows ever. So enjoy. And Gia, we wish you were staying, but I get it. The Office takes priority. We get it. Nick, yalla habibi. Bro, shut up, Nick. Why are you yelling? Stop yelling. No, bring me on stream. What the fuck? Well, actually, there's a chance you're not coming on today because, hold on, we need the likes. There is only 266 likes, and I said 300 to bring me on. Guys, what has happened to Nick? Why is he yelling? Yelling. Nick, I'm about to hit that ban hammer on you. Stop yelling. It's too loud. It's too early for this. Nick is on something. I know. I feel like he's pulled an all-nighter and he's going delirious. I would bet on that. I bet he hasn't slept. Nick, am I right? You don't have admin rights. Nick, can you just tell me? Oh my gosh, now he's being a freaking troll. Guys, don't be like Nick. Don't. Oh my gosh. Block. But if I block you, does that do anything? How about I just report? Report message. Oh, here we go. Hate speech. Harassment or bullying. Yes, report. You're partially right. I haven't slept much. I knew it. Guys, we're about to have a very fun session. Nick hasn't slept. Probably a little bit. He's probably slept like 2 hours. So I'm excited. This is going to be a fun session. Guys, trolls in the chat, you know who to target. Andrea says, stop yelling, you're waking her up. Andrea keeps coming for me saying that I'm tired, but I'm not, Andrea. I'm really not. I had a great sleep. Yes, I haven't had a coffee, but I've had a great sleep. Jonathan, you're about to get the ban, my friend. About to get the ban. None of that around here. And Nick sends you a love heart, lol. Oh, guys, we're not having this, are we? Come on, NASDAQ. We were 3 ticks away from TP1. I would have been break even here. There's no way I'm taking this loss now. That's really going to frustrate me. 3 ticks away. Come on, NQ. Come back. Come back. Rip longs. No, not rip longs. I hate when this happens, guys. 3 ticks away from TP1 and we're back in the red. OMG told you go short. Guys, who invited Nick to the stream today? Who invited him? 4-hour FET tap super trendline break ellipsis 2-hour ICT's goat. Oh my god, this guy is trolling. And then he's gonna come on stream and act like nothing happened. I wonder if he's gonna bring this energy on the stream. Schlongs will always pay off. Bogdan, that never gets old. Jonathan said, fade Celine, the new trading strategy. No, Jonathan. You know what, Jonathan, because you're a hater, I'm screenshotting this. I'm using that as bait later. Got receipts. Celine, he's making up for not being here yesterday. Let the man have his fun. Oh, he can have his fun. But when he comes on stream, none of that. None of that. Have his fun in the chat. Oh, Mike says maybe it's because he got so many likes yesterday. Hold on. Who's gonna give Nick the news? Is someone gonna drop the news for Nick? Jonathan, how is that a receipt? It's a question. I'm not fading you yet. Oh, Jonathan, good luck. Oh, hell yeah. Okay, Nick knows. Nick, we crushed numbers yesterday, 1.2K. 1.2K likes. And I told him today, 1.3K, and we do a crazy giveaway. Because we have to. Because those are just crazy numbers for the London session. 1.3 thousand likes. I don't want to say it, but like, Maxello. No, Maxello. It's got to be something big. Connor says he's so fast for you. He already congratulated you. Can't troll him. Holy shit. All right, Nick just confirmed. 1.3 thousand likes today. We'll do a Max Ella giveaway today. Guaranteed, if no bots. Guaranteed Max Ella in the London stream today, but we can't be having bots, guys. And we'll know. We'll know if the likes jump up. We'll be able to see that. Roman will be able to see. So no bots in here, but Max Ella. What does max allo actually mean? It means max allocation. So the most you can be funded with Tradeify, 150K lightning funded and 5 of them. Full max allocation. The most money you can trade with us. It's huge. Leah said, I tuned to Power Hour. They had 350 viewers at the close. Yeah, but Power Hour is a bit different because it's like no one really trades as much the end of the session as they would like a New York session open or a London session. Also, what the hell, NQ? What the hell? Really? We're going to come and take this low? I don't like this. I don't like this one bit. Oh my gosh. That was a big pop. Oh, it's going to take me. No, no, no. Chat, we were 3 ticks away. That's about to be a stop. 3 ticks away from TP there. Oh, yuck. I don't need to say anything. I don't need to say anything anymore. You guys can see, if I zoom in here, look at that. It's called the Nicholas Wickolas. We needed only, what high is that? 007.75. 3 ticks, chat. 3 ticks. One of you could have just bought it there. Wouldn't that have just been nice? Come on, guys. That was like a 30-point long we would have smashed before London session, but whatever. It is what it is. That burns. Now, this gray box here is the daily FEG. Here it is. That's the daily bullish gap. So we're now trading out of a daily bullish gap, which is even stronger. So I will be still looking for my setup. 100%. You guys know me. I'm still going to take that reversal. I'm going to take my orders off here. And we're down. We are down. It's not fun, but it's a healthy amount. It's good. That's why we traded micros. We never risk it all on one trade, especially when it's a lower probability setup. Okay, that's why risk management is going to be the thing that's going to save your accounts in the long term. Yeah, that was a big FU candle. That's right. That was huge. But it is what it is, chat. We've got to move on. I'm not going to let this affect the rest of my session. Selena took the opposite of you because we left daily FVG. Okay, we left a daily FVG. Which one? All I can see is that we're tapping into the current one. Oh, as in this daily FEG, but we inverted that, so I don't consider that anymore. But we are currently trading inside a new bullish FEG here on the daily. That doesn't tell me to long this. The reason I was in a long was because of how we had swept out Asia low, previous 4-hour low, and we had tapped into the 4-hour gap as well. So all those things considered, it was a clean 30 points. I was 3 ticks away. Okay, so it sucks, guys. It sucks being 3 ticks away. What is the 4-hour bias? The way I like to trade it is if we have traded below the previous 4-hour low, I look for a reversal. Also, if we're below Asia low, it's even cleaner. And then when we're tapping into a bullish gap, that's also even cleaner for the long. So I take the bullishness based off what the 4 hours doing. But right now we are having the drop here. Like, I don't know. Are we heading for that previous week's low already? This is crazy. If London wants to be a continuation session, I don't see many levels to the downside other than the previous week low levels down here. So this will be interesting. If this 15-minute candle closes bearish, this is the hourly. If the 15-minute candle closes bearish below these two equal lows now, it's not going to be good for the longs this session, I got to say. Chin Boss says, you're not trading is a play. You shouldn't be trading every day just to trade every day. 100%, that is true. Not trading is trading. He says when 800 people are watching, then you have to press a button, even if not pressing button is the best call. No, please don't get me wrong. That was an A+ setup, guys. That was a trade I should be in every day of the week. It just ticked me out. That TP did not hit. So the setup was right. Everything about that trade was correct. Missed my TP. I probably should have, in hindsight, gone to a break-even position, being that I was within 3 ticks of that TP level. So we basically were there. And at TP1, I go break-even. So technically, it would have been safer to just hit break-even then instead. But we'll see. We'll see. In hindsight, everything is much better, clearer, and everything. But at that moment, I made the decision to keep the trade on. But that's why we journal. That's why we reflect. Oh, bring Dictator on stream. Why is he here? Chad, he's not here yet. Where's my boy Kerry? Nick, Kerry was here yesterday. He was making some calls in here. 335 likes. Okay, we actually did smash that. Well, whenever the Dictator is ready, we'll bring him on, chat. But Kerry was in here. Damn, you got yourself some super fans in here, Nick. Bring in Dictator on the stream. Nick. I thought he was Eric now, guys. What's going on? Who the hell is Eric? Celine, we need to confirm our yesterday's theory. Goyle, we're not going to say anything. We're going to see if a certain someone pops up in the chat today, and then theory is confirmed. $400 likes in giveaway before Dictator on stream. No, I said 425 likes for the giveaway. But yes, 300 likes for Nick. We've already smashed that. Oh my gosh, Hannah is in the chat. Oh my gosh. Hannah is in the chat. Where did you come from, Hannah? At least we're not on the same Wi-Fi, right? Guys, if she was on the same Wi-Fi, I wouldn't be able to be here. So who let you out of the cage, Hannah? I told them that I've locked you up. What is she doing in the chat? We love you. Great. No. How do I hit the ban hammer on Hannah? Go back to the basement. All right, okay, yeah, we can ask her. Is it going up, Hannah, or is it going down? Since she won't know what a long or a short is. She is the most important person here. Chat, for those who don't know, my sister's in the chat. And Nick likes to believe that she is a market maker, but she really knows nothing about trading. Exchange the link for Hannah. What the hell is this? No, chat, I'm not. I can leave, Nick. I will leave. I'm not here for this. Where is the justice for Celine in here? Oh, Jonathan. Justice for Hannah. No, justice for Celine. This is so wrong. I gave away 5 accounts on here yesterday. I was doing the most for this chat, and now instantly you guys are all against me. What the hell is going on? You know what, Nick? You can run the session on your own. I'm out. Chat, you've shown me your colors. You've shown me your colors, chat. I remember all of these usernames. If you ever win the giveaways, you're not winning a giveaway. If any of these usernames come out on a spin the wheel, it's a no. You guys are blacklisted. No, none of you got. Oh, now suddenly everyone's got my back. Suddenly, because I said you guys are not going to win accounts today. Bring Nick Tater on stream. He can. As soon as he's here, I'm out. Come on, Nick. You better get on the stream. Somebody knows. Ripster knows. I broke records yesterday, and you guys trying to kick me off here for Hannah. Jonathan for vice president. Oh my god, this chat is hilarious. Hashtag save porcelain. Yes, hashtag save porcelain is more like it. Seriously. We love you, but we love Hannah more. Guys, that is fine by me. We'll bring Hannah on. I will leave. You guys won't win accounts, and that's it. If that's what you guys want. W. Nicholas. Nick for the president? No, not on my watch. I would not have a Nick Tater as my president any day of the week. Never, ever, ever. Nick is my hero and mentor. Nick, you really got yourself some super fans here. Just realized the audio is better than yesterday. Nice, Lynn. Yes, GPJ, I did actually fix some things in here. There is a whole bunch of suitcases and some bedding and towels, so to make it like a little more soft in the room. But I tried. Hopefully there's no echo today. The SCR 3M, I'm here for the good company, not for the accounts winning. Hell yeah. That is the energy. That is the mindset. We want more of that. Hannah has good bias, ask Nick. Guys, in trading, you make one decision, up or down. Okay, Hannah made the right decision that day, but she's never proven herself since. So Hannah, if you're watching, we can test this. We can put this to the test. You can tell me, Hannah, whether you think the market's going up or down. She's one of one. That's correct. She's one of one right now. She did guess right last time, but I need to put this to the test. I need to show you guys that she has absolutely no idea about anything to do with trading. Now, with that said, the Nick Tater has joined us. The freaking troll of the day. He's cracking up. Nothing is funny about this shit. I'll bring him on, chat, because then after that, goodbye. Goodbye to the London stream. Goodbye to all of you. I saw everyone's true colors in here, okay? Let me introduce you. One moment, please. Let me bring up his introduction. Wait, shut up. Let me introduce you first. I haven't brought you on yet. He's taking over. The white tea wearing, hand ever moving, GP trading, biohacking, UT catching, stake with catch up abusing, sabotage trolling, intro creating, Casey hating, 5 guys loving, paddle playing, tennis playing, squash playing, water goes in, chat banning, skydiving, shark swimming, parkour champions, having mango sushi, loving, switch battle winning, super slippery, sock walking, accent king, definitely not super eye full porting, no prep marathon running, Nick Tater, DMC strategy, inventing, Mario Kart thrice humiliated, the one and only no stop loss butcher, not a one no stop loss win rate, once beta, Deshaun. It's Nick, everybody. Well,
hello. Morning.
Oh my gosh.
Right on time.
You know what?
What?
Yesterday was such a good day.
Was it?
We had so much.
You crushed it yesterday. Congrats. Those numbers were
but
sick.
like we also had no trolls in here. Okay, yesterday everyone was behaved. Suddenly you come in here, rile them all up, and everyone's like, exchange Hannah Vaseline, and now everyone's against me.
Well, I was here. I saw your record numbers, so congrats. I was silent spy in the background yesterday, you know, and shout out to Eric, by the way. And also shout out to Carrie. Where's Carrie?
Carrie was here yesterday. Carrie actually showed face.
I know.
Carrie,
I was here too.
Wait, you were here?
Yeah, of course.
How?
I don't know. I'm everywhere.
Were you banned? We couldn't see your comments?
I'm everywhere. Well, who said I was on this profile?
Okay, so that actually brings us to a good point. You know who we didn't see yesterday?
Who?
The Congo man.
Oh. Weird.
Interesting, Nick. Very interesting.
Weird. I don't know why that might be. All right, chat. Let's get going.
Guys, it's him.
Put a big
We
fat
actually.
one in the chat if you're ready for today. Put a big fat one in the chat.
Holy shit!
If you're ready to make
so
some money, put a big fat one in the chat. If you love the Congo man, and put a big fat one in the chat. If you love Celine's record numbers yesterday. Hey, I'm in a long, by the way.
You're still in this long? Nice.
Yep.
What was your entry, or what's your average?
My average right now is 30,038.25. I entered it at 6 p.m. Eastern time market open at first, and then just added into it about 45 minutes ago, 50 minutes ago. So we're chilling.
Did you sleep? The 6 p.m. market time.
I did sleep 5 hours, so.
Oh, okay.
We're good.
I thought nothing crazy. I thought maybe
Coco Loco says, nice trade, very professional to have a position open into London Open. Coco Loco, I'm not sure if you're trolling. Oh, he says no stop loss, nice trade. Okay, you're loving this, Coco Loco, eh?
Coco Loco. Good morning, Didi Nati. Good morning.
By the way,
bang. What is this?
Congo almost won yesterday. It was so close.
Almost won what?
The match against England.
Oh my gosh! Can we talk about this?
I had 100 bucks on Congo and we almost won.
What the hell? I was getting actually so nervous for that. I was like, what is this? Does Nick just know shit that we don't know about Congo? But then they didn't win. So I was like, okay.
I know a lot of shit about Congo. Celine, my question is, did you bet money on England?
No, I didn't. Stupidly, I didn't. I know, I should have done it there and then, but I completely forgot. I have to set that up.
I was telling a friend of mine that I guarantee you, I told him, I guarantee you, I bet my hand, if I come on stream tomorrow and I ask Celine if she bet money on it, she will say it either didn't work or she forgot. So I get to keep my hand. That's great.
Wait, you were betting with your friend about something that's so... Guys, I have a bad record of doing that.
We got to give a shout out to Jonathan, because Jonathan not only bet £5,000 on England, he also doubled down almost, and he got up to £9,000 on the match because he's actually doing what he says he's going to do. He's a believer. So shout out, Jonathan. You are going to be vice president once we take over the world. That is guaranteed.
That is crazy.
And we're going to eat pizza every single day. And it's going to be paid by the taxpayers too, Jonathan. So
Jonathan, you are my inspiration. I wish that I knew what was going on in my life and that I was prepared with my betting applications and everything, that I had it sorted, but I wasn't.
Mm-hmm. I remember Celine that said, "Oh, Nick is doing it on stream. Do it later."
Bro, shut up, Nick. I'm about to leave this stream. 4 minutes
in.
Celine,
finished. We all love you. We all love you. You're the GOAT. Come on, you can leave. You hit the best fucking numbers ever yesterday, so you can't leave now. You can never leave again, ever. You're the lucky charm of Tradeify TV.
So now I'm like trapped here, right? I'm trapped.
Yeah, without you, this would be nothing. So you can't leave, never.
Guys.
Uh-oh, treadmill exploding.
2.5 minutes. All right. Well, you know what? I'll stay because if they hit 1.3 thousand likes today, I want to be here for the Max Allo giveaway because it's going to be huge.
Let's see if we can hit it. Let's see. What did you say for the first giveaway?
I said 425.
425. Okay, we're at 417. We're almost there, chat. Almost. Where's Carrie? Carrie, I need you.
Carrie.
I need your calls, please. I can't trade without you, Carrie.
Perfect analysis, Carrie. Wait, Nick, no, something yesterday. Wait, if you really were here, did you see what he was saying about the London session times?
Oh yeah, I saw that.
What the fuck was that?
Yeah. On a scale from 1 to stupid, he is there.
Yeah. There's a scale and he is there.
Oh, Jonathan, true. We said if England wins, you get a pizza. That's crazy. Of course I'm going to give you the pizza, dude. Just let me know. The usual address, the one I sent you the pizza last time? Or?
I love that you've already got the address on hand. You're ready.
Or do you have another one?
How many pizzas has he won? Wait, it's not even Pizza Friday. It's Pizza Thursday.
Doesn't matter. It's Pizza Friday every day, basically. Oh, new low. This session so far, by the way, I mean it's not the biggest session. It's a good move on NQ, but it's 348 points. It's more than one. It's more than the ATR on NQ, daily ATR, but still, it is not a monster move. It is big, but not monster.
Where are you looking to add if this continues to fall here?
Whenever I feel like it.
Oh my God. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting to find out. Oh, chat, we'll never know. We'll never understand this guy.
Oh wait, I have a screenshot to take in the chat. Let's go. Screenshot.
Oh, I see that one. By the way, can you hear the drilling?
No.
Okay, good. I'm at my new place and there's construction going on next door, and I was like, of course I pick a new place and there's a whole new work site. But it's fine.
Oh, Jonathan says, nah, Nick, it's Pizza Friday tomorrow with the little lady. She knows about the bet. And she texted me last night when they won saying, you want a pizza? Hell yeah, Jonathan. Okay, tomorrow, let me know where to send it and I'll send it to you. Pizza for you and the lady.
That is
the little
awesome.
lady. Oh, you
I'm
want it
still
today
looking for another
New York stream?
Huh?
He wants it today for New York stream. Whatever you want, Jonathan. Your wish is my command.
Potentially gonna long this in a minute.
Nice. Join me on the longs. Join the dark side. How is your new place, by the way?
It's good. This is going to be my new office. It's obviously just an empty room right now. That is my life back there. Hey?
You have a bit more space.
Yeah. This is yeah, you'll appreciate this. There's more depth of
for videos, it's going to be good.
Yeah, but I just, I need to go and buy some things over the next couple of weeks. Like, I don't know what I want to do. I feel like I want to have like a bit of a couch area thing and like a light, a plant, the usual sort of thing.
Yeah.
Definitely something pink. I want something pink, but yeah, I'm working on it.
You have the lamp, no?
Yes, I got the light. But the thing is, I got to like get these extension cords because there's no power outlet back there and shit like that. I'm working it out.
It's easy to get an extension cord. That's not really a problem.
No, it's not. And I don't think you'll be able to see it running to the back because that would be annoying.
I mean, you can just buy like these little wooden things that go over the cable and attach them to the wall. And that way
stick to the wall.
Yep.
Yeah, that'd actually be a good idea.
I have that too in my office. Look, you see this right here? This white little thing that runs across? That's just to hide the cables.
Oh, yeah. See, I need something like that.
Yep.
All right. Well, no, it's great. I haven't like fully moved in. Like, there's still furniture I need to buy, but we have the basics. Like my bed has arrived, the couch, all those sort of things. But it's going to be like a working process over the next couple of weeks. It's my project here. That's good.
Nice.
I believe Hannah was in here. Where did she go?
Yeah, she just leaves randomly. Like,
bye. She knows her place, Nick.
I mean,
she's back in the basement.
You're playing the victim, but you have her fucking prisoned in your basement.
I don't know how she got out is the real thing. I don't know how she got out. By the way, Roman, we can switch to Nick because he's in a trade.
I am in a trade indeed. I'm catching the falling knife. I'm going against the trend. I'm breaking all the rules. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Are you even a trader? Oh my God.
Yeah. Fucking gambler. So stupid. Look at you. You're down 150 points. Oh my God. No, you're going to blow your account. Harry, where are you?
I love when new people join and they just come on and that's what they see. A trader with 1 micro and no stop loss. Like,
hey, I'm in 2 micros.
Oh, 2 micros.
Don't you reduce me to 1 micro. I'm in 2.
Oh, sorry. He's a serious trader. He's in 2 micros here. Is Nick trying to generate receipts? Yeah, for real.
Yeah. So Congoman wasn't here yesterday, huh?
No, Nick, he wasn't here yesterday. We know why.
Because he was playing against England.
I can't believe I was so blind to this.
He was at the match. He was playing against England. Celine, I'm not the Congo man. I showed you before, remember? I was holding up my hands and the Congo man was typing in the chat. I was like this.
Yeah, but I'm convinced you have chicken working for you as well.
Sure.
Because it's never been you, chicken, and Congo man. It's a group thing here.
Nah, that will happen. I'm not the Congo man. I promise you, I'm not the Congo man.
I don't know, Nick. I don't know. The same way I promise you I'm not AI and you don't believe me.
So what you're saying is you are not AI, but you are actually AI. Huh.
I'm not AI. You are the Congo man and I am not AI.
I'm not the Congo man, I promise. I promise.
Chat, we got him. Look at him.
I promise, Celine. I'm really not the Congo man.
I really am not AI.
Maybe.
Oh, this is great. If he shows up today, which he probably will because, you're back. We'll see.
Mm-hmm.
We'll see.
So you're saying if he doesn't show up, then I'm not the Congo man, right?
Yeah, but now you're just not going to go into his account and chat because, hold on a minute. No, that's not what I'm saying.
So what are you saying then?
There are days definitely that you're here and he's not here because you're not on the account typing. Maybe you're too busy, maybe you're trading, whatever. But the days that you are on and he's also on, that's you. That's 100% that's you.
Okay.
The only way to test it is if he comes today, or whenever he comes next, we're going to have to test it. I know what to do.
What are you going to do?
I need chicken as well. I need chicken in here and you and him. That's how we're going to do it.
Okay. I just added to my trade twice.
Nice. Oh, we smashed. Nick, we got to give these guys a giveaway because we smashed that.
Did we? Oh, yeah. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Chat, if you want to participate in this first giveaway of the day, then all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to my Google form, you click that link, you fill it out, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you're going to get disqualified. And if you ask me where the form is, what the form is, how the form is, or what shape or form I'm in, you're going to get super duper mega disqualified. And if you ask me how to join the giveaway, you're going to get enormously, gigantically, super duper crazy mega disqualified. So don't do that. Let's see. Link, incoming. Boom, 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 boom. Here we go. Here we go.
What? Herbert's like, I'll summon Congo man. Congo.
Gundabai says, okay, do a giveaway of 10K USD, please. Well, one comment before you said, yo, Nick, stop moving, man. Do you really think I'm going to listen to you? Huh? You really think you can tell me anything? I don't think so.
Who's in these shorts? I want to know who's fading. Who's in shorts? Who's also in longs? But who's in shorts?
Who's in shorts? I'm in shorts, but I'm in longs.
I'm in shorts.
Badumts. Dude, my treadmill, I swear.
2.5 minutes again.
Yup. Here we go again. Round 5 or 6 or I can't even remember. I can't even remember.
Okay, here we go. I'm in shorts, Enki short. I'm in long pants, short scalps. Okay, there's a whole bunch of them in shorts. Short aiming low. Okay, SCR3M is in longs from 977. 977. Okay, damn. Okay, so you've given yourself also like a big stop. Maybe he's trading like you, Nick. Maybe there is no stop.
I would never trade without a stop. I mean,
Of course.
Look. I have a stop. See? Boom.
Wait, what?
Just kidding.
I was gonna say, what the? As if. Oh, I could potentially be taking this long now.
Kangzi, who's the Congo man? I don't know. I really do not know. I'm not him. Okay, I do not drive a BMW i3 Rex.
Please don't fall for it.
I do not drive a BMW i3 Rex. I do not live in the Congo, so it can't be me, right?
Chat, do not fall for it.
What do you mean?
No.
Yeah, go straight. You got
exactly
me.
what
I'm
I
Eric.
mean.
I'm Eric, actually.
Oh, what? Who is Eric?
Hey, look. If you want to know, you have to be a bit more active, and you got to watch other stream segments. You know, you can't just
be a bit more active. Sure.
You can't just show up to your own. You know. You're not
Hold on
gonna.
a minute.
You're not gonna know about.
You're
not gonna know about Eric if you don't watch other segments. That's the problem.
Wow. So I'm left out now.
Seems like it.
Wow. All right. Well, you find me time in between moving for me to be at my desk watching the stream. Find the time. I'll be there.
No, I'm good. Thank you.
Prince
Go
Amias
to the Nick with that Swiss Nick. I cashed out the Congo game before England equalized. Oh, let's go, dude. I was betting on the full game time, so I couldn't cash out before.
Oh, so you did put money.
You're not reading my messages. So, Celine, why are you not reading her messages?
Wait, me?
Leah says, I told you an hour ago who Eric was, Celine.
Wow. Okay, wait. Let me read the chat history. Hold on. Wait, what? Where?
Wait, what?
A rose from Titanic and then some dude that was spamming the chat calling Tyler a degen. Eric got banned by and Tyler last night. Oh, okay. But
Tyler
what is the link between him and me?
Berserk on him.
Huh?
It was funny. Tyler was so aggressive towards him. And then it was like a 14-year-old kid. And then he got banned by Tyler, by Spotty, because Tyler said he's making him aggressive. He got banned for 5 minutes. He comes back and he types, "I'm sorry for what I said." And Tyler somehow missed that message and says, "Oh, Eric, you're back. Just say what you said before. You fucking little kid." It's so funny. And then he never typed again. I think he's traumatized.
Oh no, a little kid as well. Oh my gosh. Honestly though, you can't be trolling and then sorry. Doesn't work like that.
She doesn't know about the fish suit either. Slacking. Yeah, she truly is slacking. She doesn't even remember that she said she's going to be a pineapple on stream. Like, what the fuck?
I never said that.
You did say that.
I never.
You did say that on stream yesterday. Need me to pull receipts or what?
Yes. Go ahead.
God. Celine.
I'm not going to be gaslit into this.
Yeah, Prince, I saw that. Tyler felt bad because he didn't say the apology.
Celine SquarePants.
SquarePants. Oh, man. That's funny. Well, all right, let's run the giveaway. Oh, the treadmill. 1 second. Hello, Mr. Treadmill. Or are you a Mrs. Treadmill?
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Celine SquarePants. All right, here we go. Bada bing, bada bong. Copying everybody over. I need to make sure the stupid guy is here first. Nope, he's not here. That is amazing. Let's fucking go.
Did you see what happened with the guy who won yesterday? The first guy?
No. What happened?
He entered twice, but he had.
Oh, yeah. I saw it.
Yeah.
Dummy.
I know.
A little dummy.
A little dummy.
I also saw you had you had a bit of a high chance for max allo on your wheel.
Did you see?
Yeah. Oh, a little too much.
A little too close there. Yeah.
All right, let's spin.
Yeah, well, I need to get your wheel. I need how you do it. I just have to make it up on the spot.
Yeah, at least you had a wheel.
I did. I had the
winner.
Wheel. I had the World Cup picture.
Zen Monkey. Let me check if he filled it out more than once or not. Nope, only once. Great. Zen Monkey. Type something in the chat.
Congratulations.
Congratulaciones, Zen Monkey. Hello, monkey.
Zen. Oh, there he is. Oh.
There he is. There you go. All right. Zen Monkey. Let's see what you win. You're going to either win a growth account or a select account or a lightning funded account. Let's see. Mr. Zen Monkey, you, sir, are getting a 50K lightning funded account. Let's go. Nice. All you got to do now is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it is your Tradeify login email. And once it's in there, it's going to take up to 7 days to receive your account. So do not message us before that time has passed. Congratulations, sir. You just got funded with a $50,000 account.
That's huge. Well done. Congrats. And take that to a payout now. That's free money.
Oh, I survived the 2.5 minutes. Let's go.
How does it happen every day? Like the same glitch. It's so weird.
No idea. The treadmill glitch. No idea.
How do we?
Yeah, chat. My trade is so cooked. Looks like I'm gonna blow my account.
What? How much drawdown? What are you down now? Wait, are you for real? I can't see your.
No, I'm not for real. I gotta zoom in. True. Here you go, party people.
There we go.
Like that better?
Yes, that is much clearer.
Okay, here you go.
Is that another Kiz in the chat? Or did she change her profile?
No, but Kiss says, wait. Double check username. Name didn't match. Yes, the name did match. I checked it.
Check username like yesterday. No, we checked. Yeah, Nick checked.
Yep, I always check. Check.
Oh, they're all saying it was different now.
Good morning, Trader 007. How you doing?
Good morning.
What? The African, I have no idea what you're saying. What are you saying?
Told you guys, tricked you all. Then these idiots ran past the CE to stop loss people out.
Bakshish says, Nick, bro, buy a new walking pad in your next payout. I can't get payouts, unfortunately, because I'm a gambler. I only blow accounts. So.
Oh, it is Kiz. She said, same Kiz, new peak. You might like it, Sling. Wait, is this a picture of us? Hold on, let me bring it up. Oh,
Picture
it's us.
You and Kiz?
Yeah.
Yes, why am I not on that picture?
That's so cute. See, that's why she's my number one. Don't tell Celine fan club.
Damn. Kelly fan club, you mean?
Oh my gosh.
It's a nice IG I saw.
I saw that. I don't want nothing to do with that. Did you go into the mermaid post? Did you go into the account?
I saw everything. I'm
everywhere. Oh, there, Jonathan saw it too.
Jonathan was the one who sent it to me.
Oh, really? That was crazy. Celine, you sound like Rebecca from the originals. Who is Rebecca?
Rebecca from the originals. Markik Suave, does Tradeify reject payouts? No, sir. Unless you like hedge or something. If you follow the rules, nope. Jonathan says, be right back, making a Nick fan club page. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but make some weird mermaid post about him too.
The mermaid post was goated.
That was fun.
Mm-hmm. Okay, chat, I think I can never recover from this trade. I'm down 110 points. I think you might
be cooked. What's the trading? Adam says, what's the trading model without stop loss? Well, Nick, what is it?
It's called gambling.
Yeah. That's what happens when you lose money on Congo. You get back into these markets trying to win it all back.
I never win money. Never lose money on Congo. If you know, you know. What?
What, you had Congo to score or something?
Who said that?
Wait, you didn't lose money? What? What did you have money on yesterday, Nick? On the end result or for Congo to score?
I had my money on NQ longs. On Congo versus England, I lost.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I needed to hear.
Yeah.
Well, guys, he doesn't have a stop loss, so therefore he cuts his probabilities of getting stopped out. He makes it a much lower chance of losing the trade, right? Because there's no stop loss. So the only way he can lose is if he runs his account all the way down, hits his max, like blows his entire account. So technically he's got a high chance here, if you put it that way.
No.
It's like girl math. It's like I said it's like girl math. It adds up. Your chances of losing your trade or losing money is less than a stop loss with a stop loss.
Facts.
Correct.
412 points on the session so far, by the way. 412, senor.
It is a big session.
Juan Lagos, Karina Nicolas, when you're inviting Becky over? I don't know. She's welcome always. Always welcome.
Always welcome to the London stream as well.
Yes.
Frank, Celine, when does Go Math add up? All the time.
All the time. You can basically put numbers together however you want, and it's girl math.
And it makes sense.
Next like goal, let's make it 707. So if you haven't already, hit that like button, get us to 707 likes, and we're going to throw a giveaway account your way. Bada bing, bada bong. It might be 2. We're going to spin the wheel to see if we're going to give away 2 accounts or just 1.
It might be.
We're going to spin that wheel right now. 2 or 1. Spinning. Oh, looks like a 2.
Ooh,
oh, wait, sorry. The page had an error. Let's see. Spin. It's 2 accounts! Hey! So 707 likes, guys.
All right, how far are we? What are we at? Let's have a look.
639.
Oh shit, we're close. Mark, Celine, do you only trade only one every day? Do you only trade once a day? I see your other comment. No, I don't. I do trade the London session mainly. Honestly, I've been moving house and the 4 p.m. time slot has just been a bit difficult right now because I've just been so busy. My days have been full. But in saying that, when I do trade, it's more than one trade. So trading, yes, London session right now, the one session, but I'm taking like 2 or 3 trades a day generally. Around 2.
Nice. Nice. 1 or 2 trades a day.
I think we can smash this 1.3 thousand like goal.
Yeah, I mean, it's a big one, but it's doable.
I think like we'll do it without bots. We'll do it.
Oh yeah. Hey, good morning, Mr. Pancake Patty. How we doing?
Hey, where are you now, Patty? Are you still traveling with that watermelon?
Ew, that must be smelly and foul by now.
Yeah.
Just for fun says 1 to 2 trades a day, keep the profit away. Jonathan says, I'm in longs here. Hey, Vice President Jonathan, you, sir, are doing the right thing.
Hey, I didn't claim him vice president around here. I don't know about that.
Well, but you're not the president.
If anyone was vice president,
your thing doesn't matter. If I say he's vice president, he's vice president because I'm the dictator, Nictator.
That is true. You are the Nictator. There's not much I can do about that.
That's very true. Very true. I'm glad you accept your position.
Celine fan club in the chat. Good morning. One of the most beautiful things about Celine is her voice. Her husband is lucky to be greeted with a good morning in that voice every day. You can tell my fiance that he's lucky to be greeted by my voice. That's so funny.
Hey, I mean, Celine fan club loves you, so.
Celine fan club, are you Colleen fan club? Or is that?
Yeah, I would say so. It smells like a mermaid comment, this one.
It smells like a mermaid. Oh my God, this is crazy.
HE Trader says, hey, Nick, can I be Secretary of State for Nick Nation? Sure, you can. So we got a Vice President now, we got a Secretary of State. Now all we need, we don't really need much.
Santana knows. Santana says Celine for Vice President.
No,
yep.
I'm good. We already got Jonathan. Also, chat, everybody in Nick Nation pays 0% tax.
Now everyone's gonna join you. Who likes paying tax? Yeah.
Lucky Mon says, can I be the new Congo Mon? No, you can't. Congo Man is Congo Man. Can't be duplicated. I'm sorry. Congo Man is the GOAT.
The AG Traders is awesome. I will do trade deals likes with Celine Nation. All right, who would be part of my nation? I'm hiring.
Jonathan, yeah, basically instead of paying tax, you receive free pizza whenever you want.
Ooh.
It's like 0% tax and free pizza.
I'm trying to think what I would offer my nation that's better than that. You can't really be no tax and free pizza.
I mean, you can join our nation if you want.
No. We won't be joining. No, thank you.
So you rather want war than peace?
Yes.
See, chat, that's her personality. You're just going to be aware of who you're dealing with.
Personality? You made me like this.
We want pizza, we want no tax, and then here she comes and wants war.
Chat, hold up. He made us like this. He has made this a competition, a war. He started this war. I will be finishing it. But
when did he start that war? Do you have proof? Do you have receipts?
When you called me AI, it started. When I came on stream 6 months ago and Nick said, "No, Celine, we don't believe you. You're AI."
Celine, I truly, deeply apologize.
It's been a battle
that I made you feel this way. I hope you accept my apology. I want peace and free pizza and no tax.
No, I'm not a bitch. We won't be having any peace here.
Okay,
I will be ending this.
That's what I mean with her personality. She just wants war.
You're coming on here trying to be the peacemaker, Nick. You're in this.
I publicly apologized in front of everybody, and you still want war. So.
Oh, I'll have war with you.
Nelson says, Nick Nation has a minimum step count per day. Yes, you got to burn off those pizza calories. But it's all for your benefit.
All right, I need to know who's gonna be my vice president. Leia and Kiz, are you with me?
You can have Harry as your vice president.
The business lens. I'm gonna have the business lens, trading markets, and Carrie all with me. Gang, gang.
I'm gonna have Jonathan, HE Trader, Santana Fleeks. I'm gonna have the Congo Man. I'm gonna have.
Oh, of course you're gonna have the Congo
Man. I'm gonna have Russell. You're done.
No, I think I'm gonna have Russell.
No, you won't.
All right, Leia, I want to see who. Okay, Kiz said Dibs VP, so Kiz, straight up, you're vice president. But Leia, whose side are you choosing? Oh, this is gonna be a deal breaker.
Russell, of course you. Do you see another Russell around? You're my favorite Russell, the one and only. Well, Jonathan,
the Royal Rumble... love you, Celine, but Nick Nation all the way.
Yeah, good comment. Jonathan, the Royal Rumble tourney is basically going to be our paddle battle in November.
Oh, yeah. That is true. Nation versus nation. Oh, that's going to be good. Well, they said you're going to have to fight over me. I have no idea who to pick. No, Leia, don't be Switzerland. Don't be Switzerland here. You need to pick a side.
Leia says you're going to have to fight over me. Well, Leia, at Nick Nation, we only have true believers. So if you can't go with 100% conviction and be a part of Nick Nation, then you better, I don't know, find something else. Because we need believers. We need people who are 100% convinced that this is the way to go. Because we're the most amazing nation ever. So, your choice, your choice.
You know what?
We would love to have you, Leia. I must say, we would love to have you.
No, Leia, now let me try to take you, because I would love to have you, Leia, because what I'm offering to my nation is free holidays to Greece, whenever you like, free, everything paid for, business class tickets, even first class for the vice president. The vice president will always ever fly first class, and you'll be able to travel Europe whenever you like. Yeah. I'll pay for all travel.
Well, Roman, it's time for a poll. The poll should ask, are you joining? ? And then 2 options, Nick Nation and Celine Nation. Let's see. We gotta see where the chat wants to go.
No, Mixie, no trade for me. There was an inversion, but it wasn't in the first 10 minutes of that 15-minute candle. Happened at 3:28, and so that's 2 minutes away from the next 15-minute candle open, so I don't enter that.
Also, chat, the first 1 million inhabitants of Nick Nation get a car of their choosing. Can be a Lambo, can be a Bugatti, it doesn't matter. You can have whatever you want.
Well, you know what? In Celine Nation, everyone lives rent-free. No one has to pay a single cent on their living. It's all paid for.
Cool. How are you making money at Celine Nation?
We bet on England. We just have a...
Oh, show proof that you did.
No. And also, that's only for Celine Nation members. Why would I share that data with you?
Dang, Business Lens is on my side. Let's go.
How do you know? Bro,
detect it in the comments.
What did he say? I can't see it.
Trading markets doesn't matter to me. Porsches suck anyway, so go live with Celine. I don't care.
Celine sounds like a real politician. I'm going for Nick. No, let's see how this ends. I am a Mars Nation. Yes, Caesar, we know you're a big Mars fan. In Celine's Nation, we all get free Tzatziki. Oh, yeah, Tzatziki on tap.
Ooh, I'm sorry, guys. I feel for you.
I want to see how this poll's doing.
You're winning it.
Ooh, would you look at that? Longs could be back on here, maybe. Starting to make a move. Ruben, I never said anything about paying tax in Celine Nation. Nothing at all.
Yeah, she doesn't say anything because tax is so high and she's ashamed to talk about it. It's actually over 50%. I looked it up. I know the laws of Celine Nation. So if you want 50% tax plus, cool, go with her. If you want 0% tax and free pizza and a free car of your choosing, then you go with Nick Nation. And not only that, but also we make money at Nick Nation. Everybody trades, everybody makes tons and tons of money. And guess who we're taking that money from? Celine Nation. That's right.
Boy. Let's just, you know what, you can talk all that, Nick. Let's see how this poll comes out, because I think people are scared to even say Celine Nation around here because of you. They're scared of the Nicktator, right, chat? I know. It's all right. We'll let the poll speak for itself. Sounds like a sweatshop.
Funny. Oh, Jonathan, you're close to your first TP, 29,937. I know it.
It's so annoying.
The Congo man is not here.
What?
I'm here. Congo man is not here. So where's your proof now?
Where is he? Is he in the chat?
No, he's not here. So I'm here. You said if I'm here, he's always here. Not true. I'm here. He's not here.
No, because I know you're not logging in now, Nick. I know that. I've worked it out. Obviously, you're trying to prove your point, so you're not going to bring him on today. But another day when you forget, you will log in and you'll be here and he'll be here. And then you won't talk at the same time.
You think so?
You won't be mid-talking and then Congo Man pops up in there. It never happens like that. Never.
Well, we'll see. And
Chicken needs to be talking as well on the chat. Because I'm convinced you have him operating the Congo Man.
700. Did we say 707 is the next cycle? We're almost there.
Yes.
It's going to be for two accounts, so. Oh my God, see chat, I told you I'm never going to come back from this trade. I'm going to lose my account.
Oh.
No.
That's so annoying because this 15-minute low pretty much made an equal low. It didn't quite sweep. So I'm not in this long.
Oh my God, why was I so stupid and bought the bottom here? Shit. Oh, no. I regret it so much.
Jimmy says collecting those receipts, Nick. Oh yeah, there were many before.
No, actually there weren't that many. I'm sad.
No, there are a few.
I only got one. Where are my haters at?
They're catching on.
Yeah. Sad. I don't want to do this anymore. I'm going to go back to A+ setups.
Nick thrives off the hate, chat. Future of Throne says, I got my first payout Tuesday on Tradeify. Let's go. Well done, Future of Throne. Nice. Congrats. Sling fan club, Sling, when you say low, I understand lawyer. Is that really? Low. Previous 15-minute low. I think it's quite clear.
Yo, just for fun, real one. You can just type it once, it's fine. Don't have to type it 3 times. Depends how we move now over the next couple minutes. Oh yes, robot. You are the receipt filing manager. Congrats on your new role.
The SCR3M, the Scream. I'm just going to call you the Scream because 3 is E. Selena, Nick, how long have you been trading, if I may ask? First time here. Well, welcome to Tradeify TV. We're glad you found us. We are the Go to London session. I've been trading almost 3 years. Nick's been trading 5+ years.
Gambling, not trading.
Sorry, gambling.
Yeah.
Yes. That is true.
Yep.
Oh boy. Can't get along in here yet. I'm now looking for another 15-minute low sweep and then get in at the inversion on the 1 minute, but we shall see. There's a lot of time. There is a lot of room to the upside to enter these longs. So guys, if you're not in longs, don't feel FOMO. Like, there is plenty of opportunity.
That's a fact. Okay, setting up some targets. Hey.
Answering questions. We just answered that one.
Huh?
When did you guys start trading? Oh, I guess when I started, actually, is a different answer. 2023 October.
So you're coming up to 3 years. You're not
3 years yet.
Not 3 years. Why are you liaring?
I said, did I not say almost 3 years? Almost being the key word there. Almost 3 years.
I don't know. I didn't listen.
I know you didn't.
I'm kidding, Celine. You did. I'm just kidding. Let's see. Oh, there's the target. Boom.
Andrea says, "Oh no, the traumatic childhood song." Were you singing for Elise?
What?
Is that what you were humming?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one.
Well, chat. We're almost at the next like call. 12 more likes. Hit it. Hit that like button.
Interesting question. Ashan Shretha says, if you couldn't look at indicators on news, what would you rely on to consistently make money from the market? Well, I don't use, actually, yeah, to answer this, I don't use news or that indicators so much like to determine what trades I'm in. I'm more like, I could trade a chart without any lines or drawings on it, like just a naked price action chart, and still be able to make money. It's just that my indicators allow like things to be a bit clearer for me, but I don't actually need them. Like, I'm not trading VWAP or like anything like that. So yeah, maybe that question is not really suited for us. Also, Nick doesn't have anything on his chart. Oh, maybe VWAP. I think he has VWAP.
I don't have VWAP.
Huh?
I don't have VWAP.
No, he doesn't even have VWAP.
I have a 120 EMA and a 200 EMA.
Andrea says, I kind of want to short this. Well, trading off feelings of kind of, I've never done me well, kind of feel like this is going up, kind of feel like it's going down. But good luck.
Oh, now they're coming. There we go. Thank you, chat.
Here they are.
Celtics fan, why is Nick walking on that dumb thing? I don't know. It's forcing me to.
He's not on a dumb thing.
It has a gun.
No, you're wearing a super slippery socks.
Yeah, that too.
Oh, come on, London session. Do something.
Lucky Mon, how do I contact Tradeify for issues with my World Cup tournament? Go on Discord. Discord. No. Future of Thrones says ban him, don't question the dictator. You understand, sir. You get the badge of honor of Nick Nation. Answering questions. Has Nick ever fallen? No, but Celine has.
Oh, wow. The question was about you.
Yeah, I mean, just giving additional information. Wow,
I did
wait, is
fall,
Nick
yes.
actually a parkour champion? I did win one championship, yes. So technically, I guess.
Who do I contact for issues with Nick Tater failing to have a stop loss? There's nothing we can do about that one. We should make it a rule, right? We should make it a rule with Tradeify that you must have a stop loss just to screw with Nick.
Scum Production says, Nick, you never go break even? No. I do not. No, just for fun. I won't.
Slim, where is the long entry looking like for you? Ruben, I'm looking for a sweep of the previous 15-minute low currently, and we're 9 minutes from Tokyo volume, so it will hopefully drop, and then I would take longs off that level, but we'll see if we can get down there. If not, it'll be then waiting for the 4 a.m., the new hourly candle, waiting for a drop, and then buy from there. Andrea, leave my yawns alone.
Andrea, welcome to Nick Nation.
Wow. I'll be honest, it is close to coffee time.
Is it?
But-
What time is coffee time?
Well, here's the thing. I have an
Uh-huh.
espresso machine, no pods, so I can't make a coffee here.
Oh,
Then
wow.
I could go and get a coffee, but that's a short walk away. So
Oh,
we
no.
don't want that.
Well, it depends.
Then-
If you live stream it, it could be fun.
What, walking to the coffee shop?
Yeah.
You know, actually, why I couldn't do that while I'm in Greece right now is because the internet is not good.
Oh.
Honestly, it was
Is it?
great Bali.
Who could have warned you about this before? What?
It's horrible, Nick. I
Who-
seriously don't understand.
Who
It's
warned you
frustrating.
about this before? Wasn't there a guy who warned you about this before? I kind of
frustrating.
remember somebody said something about this. What was his name?
But I didn't imagine when I left my house, I'd be on 1 bar of 5G. One.
What was his name again? The guy who warned you of
Eric. His name was Eric.
Ah, Eric.
Oh, God.
Oh, the
it's
Congo
so-
man is here, see? And I didn't do anything.
Wait, where?
Lev is the new Congo man. Lev,
No, that guy doesn't count. That's not the guy.
he is Congo man because Francisco got banned, so he showed up with a new username and he proved it. But Congo man, Celine is accusing me of being the Congo man. So you gotta be typing while I hold my hands up, because I gotta make sure I can't do anything.
But I also said, hold on, I also said that chicken could be in the background doing something too. So I'm not going to believe this. It's not enough. I'm not
See?
convinced.
Congo man is typing. Lol, okay. I'm not doing anything. I have my hands up. Can't do anything. It's not me. I don't know who Congo man is.
Okay, chicken.
I just know he lives in a BMW i3 Regs. He says, I am ready. i3 Regs Gold is fully charged. See? I didn't type.
Chad, I'm pretty sure this guy is Nick's old and chicken runs the account.
So you have to
That's my
call
theory.
chicken so you can have both. He says, we lost yesterday. Boo, 2-1. Yeah, I was sad. It would have been fun. to get a 560 francs payout on my 100 francs, but didn't go that way.
Celine should get some sleep. Chad, I'm good. I'm good. In fact, it's getting a little warm in here. Let's turn this on.
Oh, I see. Damn.
We got the AC.
Yeah. Congo, did you see the Senegal match? That was pretty crazy too. They were leading 2-0 against Belgium until the 86th minute. Belgium scores 2 goals. They go into overtime, and then Belgium gets to shoot a penalty at the 122nd minute and scores it. After being 2-0 down for 86 minutes, like absolutely crazy. It was 100% rigged against Africa, Congo. I'm with you.
That would have been such a great game to watch, but that's late here. I can't believe you stayed up for that.
Well, I was trading.
Oh yeah, of course.
I told you.
Sorry. I told you.
Yeah.
I thought they don't have AC in Europe. No, they don't have it in London.
And in Switzerland.
They don't have AC in Switzerland?
No.
Why? Because you just never get the hot weather?
Same reason as in London, I guess.
So stupid. Switzerland is not the go-to country, Nick. You can't tell me a country without... No, that's wrong.
Well, once my fiancé and I buy or build a house, we will definitely get AC in there. 100%. It's just not common. There is AC, it's just not common.
Can't believe that. Middle of Europe, no AC.
Yep.
Yeah, question. I asked, how warm is a Swiss summer?
I mean, right now it's about 26, 27 degrees Celsius.
It's pretty warm.
Let's see. It says 20, but that's not true. It goes up to 26 today easily. So 68, 70, 76, 82, 86, 84. Yeah, pretty much like that. The Brian says, how are you going to buy or build a house without a stop loss, Nectator? I wouldn't build or buy one with a stop loss.
Andrea, where are you based? She said the heat wave killed us here. Oh, Chris said I put 6K on Spain for the World Cup. Am I cooked? I'd say Spain, France, or England.
Yeah, pretty good chances there. Maybe Argentina. I don't know.
That would be sick.
Comment says, giveaway time, Nick. Congo says now nice one, Nick, about the stop loss comment. You know, I know you know. All right, giveaway time.
Wait, did we smash 707?
Yeah, unfortunately, Congo Man is disqualified because he asked where the form is. But everybody else, if you want to participate in this giveaway, then all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to my Google form, you fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you'll get disqualified, like Congo Man. And if you ask me where the form is, what the form is, how the form is, or what shape or form I'm in, or any sorts of questions like that, you are disqualified. And if you ask me how to join the giveaway, you're disqualified as well. Here you go. Here you go.
Robot, Celine Nation will use Celsius. I don't know about the other nation.
Nick Nation as well.
We don't use that other stupid shit.
You don't like freedom units and Fahrenheits?
Why was it made though? Like, I just don't understand.
I don't know. It's kind of stupid. Trading markets, where's the corn, my friend? Finally, I get to disqualify you, and I'll put you in a timeout for 10 minutes. Bye. Oh no, I can't. I can't. 'Cause my
We
browser
gave you guys a market holiday. Show some respect.
Okay, I gave him 5 minutes. There you go. Wait, you said what now, Celine?
This guy in the chat, Ja. So we gave you guys a market holiday. Show some respect. It's just really dumb. That's all. The Fahrenheit thing is just really dumb, and I don't get it.
Don Tomsey in German says, Nick, I hope you get well soon. What do you mean, Don Tomsey? Why get well soon? I'm confused. I am very confused.
Why are you confused?
Are you a mister or a Mrs. confused? All right.
Oh, there we go. Miss Kitty Kazumi says it is dumb, said from a Californian. There you go.
Oh, there you go. There's proof. See, chat, price kissed my average. I was like, hi, I'll leave now. So now I'm cooked. Super cooked.
Oh, no.
I can never recover from this.
Hey, Lev, I'm going to call him Lev because I'm not convinced he's a Congo man. He said, did Kerry ever send his screenshot about his short?
No, he did not. That's why I actually joined the stream today and said, where's my boy Kerry? But
we're still waiting. I also was asking for it yesterday.
Yeah,
still waiting.
He was even saying yesterday he deserves an account for his call out. No, send me the fucking screenshot. He would have gotten a free account, but apparently he didn't need it. That's okay. Whatever, Kerry.
Lico, sorry, Celine, did you say you started trading October 23? Yes, October 2023. Correct.
Poor Kerry. Could have gotten a free account.
No, Kerry. Don't be doing that. Wasting opportunity for a free account.
Mr. Ford, do you guys not average into a position? Yes, I do. You can literally see all my executions on screen right now. First, I entered one micro at 6 p.m. Eastern time last night at open, 30,096 and a quarter. Then I added the second micro right here at 29,980, 8:11 a.m. my time, which is 2:11 Eastern. Then I added two more micros right down here at the bottom, 29,843 and 29,848 at 3:13 a.m. You see all my executions, you see everything. No cheating.
Paper trading.
Congo says he can't buy an account with a stop loss. You're right. You understand it, Congo. I knew you understand it.
Okay, now is it a potential long? I'm waiting so patiently here.
It was always a long.
It was always. Well, we've dropped down into, we're trading out of a 15-minute bullish gap. This 15-minute candle from 330 inverted the bearish gap. So technically we have made back some of that bearish move. Also 4-hour low, we are trading below the previous 4-hour low. If we get a 1-minute inversion here, I don't mind it for a long.
She doesn't mind it for long.
I don't mind it.
You don't mind it as in you're going to take it? Or
yes.
You just don't mind it?
Correct. We'll take.
All right. There you go. There you go. Celine joining the longs.
Not yet. Hold on. Need that inversion. Need the confirmation.
Thank you, Scream. I like you.
I'm glad you find humor in it, the Scream. Some others get rage baited.
That's good. It's engagement. Engagement. That's what we're here for, right? All right. Are you in?
I'm in.
Nice. Jinbo. That's right. That's right. Never fake it. Always show everything. However, shout out to Celine as well. She always shows her trades. Always
I could have done
transparent.
high.
She always talks about her feelings when she's feeling bad about a trade, good about a trade. So we're not faking anything around here.
Keep it real. I'm in a trade right now, chat. Literally right now.
There you go. Okay, in the meantime, let's run the giveaway really quick. Roman, let's go to my screen. I'm gonna copy everybody over to the magic wheels in a second. Damn, a lot of participants. You guys know we're gonna give away 2 accounts because we spun the wheel before and they told us we gotta give away 2 accounts. So let's see who the first winner is. It's still loading, so I'm gonna go back to my trade in the meantime. So nobody says we're not showing our trades.
Just entered as well. I've just put all my orders in there. First TP will be at 29,940. If we get just below those highs, that's a 1-to-1 there. And then beyond that, the previous day low level, 30, just like that 30,006 level, which was just where my last trade's TP was sitting. So let's hope we get there.
All right, let's go to my screen for the giveaway. Congo, what's up with bookmaps? What's up with that? Let's spin. Oh, and Celine is gone. And she's
Sorry,
back.
1 second. I'm here. My fiance just brought me a coffee, so I'm just gonna go grab it. 1 second.
Hello, fiance.
Oh, wait, we got a giveaway.
Dara Oshia. Oshia? I don't know.
Dara. Congratulations.
Dara Oshia. Type something.
Wait, give me 1 sec. Don't spin the wheel. Don't spin the wheel. Wait, I'll be back.
Okay. And she's gone. Dara, type something in the chat.
Okay. I'm back.
And she's back. Dara.
All right, let's spin it.
All right, it's already spun. We need Dara to type. Oh, it says here. Okay, got you. Now, second winner. Boom. Okay, who had the username Nick is my daddy? You guys are so fucking funny. Okay, Sus? Is it Sus him or is it Sushim? Sushim 90.
Sushi, or is it Sushi?
Sushi M90. Sushim 90. Type something in the chat. We just won a free account. We don't know what yet. Gonna find out in a second. If you type.
Yeah, guys, I'm in some heavy drawdown here, by the way.
Heavy drawdown as in?
Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna survive.
Uh-oh.
See, it's just wicked that low. I've given it room though. The trade has room.
All right. Let's stay on Celine's screen for a moment. And then we're gonna find out what these guys won in this giveaway.
Oh yeah, I've given the trade ample room. I've given it like an extra.
Celine, remember?
10 points.
Go to the 5-minute chart, zoom out, relax.
All right.
It's gonna be fine. Don't need the 1-minute chart and the adrenaline rush. You're gonna be okay.
Suddenly I feel much better.
Good. Good.
Is fading Celine the new payout strat? Well. This is not my day. Come on, Longs. Give us the bull run. Inhale, exhale.
It can still go, Celine.
Yeah, but I don't think my stop
Why is your stop where it is? What's your logic? Or your
well, I just wanted to give it a little low. It should have really been at this low. This is the previous 15's low, but I gave it a bit more room than that. Sorry, current 15's low. I gave it a little bit more room because I allow for price to do its wicking bullshit, and then hopefully by giving it those extra few points, like yesterday, I can still survive.
All right.
But we'll see.
All right, all right.
The 15-minute is currently reacting out of a 5-minute, sorry, the 5-minute time frame looks like it's reacting out of this 5-minute gap. But hopefully this was just the sweep. This was the damage, and now maybe we can make the move. We'll see.
Let's see. All right, let's see what the winners win. First winner, Dara. Dara, you get, let's see, growth, select, or lightning. Dara, you receive today there you go. 25K growth account. Congrats.
Nice.
25K growth account for Dara. And then also the second winner, Mr. Sushi. Mr. Sushi gets $50K lightning funded. Nice. Congratulations.
2 more accounts. That's a total of 3 accounts for the stream today.
Already. Well, we can give away more. I mean, come on now. We're hitting bigger numbers, so we can give away more accounts.
Should we go for it and just say 1.3 thousand?
I mean, at 1.3K, we're gonna give away max allo, so 5 150K accounts. But if we reach the next like goal, it's gonna be 977. 977.
Well, so we might do. All right, so we might do another giveaway and then get another max allo giveaway. This is gonna be crazy. Crazy numbers on the stream today.
If we reach it.
Oh no, chat, I'm done. These took that on a funded. These were, oh, that's not nice.
How many contracts are you
in? 6 macros.
Okay.
I went in heavier then.
Why did you go in heavier?
Okay, why did I risk more than my last setup? Because I was more convinced of this point in price after having taken out being in the daily fair value gap, the 4-hour fair value gap, but also coming out of a 15-minute. There was a lot on side, but still price just way too heavy. Like bears are not letting this run. So getting off these accounts now, that is my 2 losses and that is done. The accounts are down, the 150K is down 870. So it's like, it is a bad number. Okay. That's pretty bad, but we're not dead.
It depends. What's your usual winning day on those?
Well, on these, you can have like 500. So it's a bit more than I would normally. I've taken a bit more than I would normally risk. Let's say that.
But how often do you have winning days and how often do you have losing days?
Well, the winning days obviously more than my losing days.
Good.
But to have a big losing day like this, like 800 down, is not common. I haven't seen it.
But if you have more winning days than losing days and your average winning day is 500-ish, it's going to take 2 winning days and you're going to have made back your losses and more.
Yes. Yeah. No, that's right. That's exactly right. That's why it's a numbers thing. That's why having a $870 red day doesn't destroy my accounts. It just means that only in a couple days or in the next 2 winning trades, like I should be back. So it's not the worst. And that's why risk management is so important, to understand that.
There you go.
So that's good. But definitely not taking any more trades on these funded accounts. No, done with that. That is definitely a strong, hard rule. If I do take another trade, I will open that up on evals, but not on fundeds, not on these.
There you go. Sir Candle Dick, what a name. Says that's what happens if you move your stop. That's exactly why I never move my stop.
No, well, I've started to just give it room, guys. It doesn't mean I've moved my stop. It just means my stop placement is not in the same place as I once would have months ago, put it right at the lows.
There you go. And I never moved my stop.
Yesterday you guys would have seen that save me and I banked on that. And today it just kept dumping. So it's a loss.
Mm-hmm.
At least yesterday I would have been crying because I would have been wicked out at that low. Whereas today I'm crying anyway because I got stopped out. But at least yesterday I still took TP. How can you say risk management when you just split contracts out? When you just spit contracts out? What?
What does he mean?
Loco. I don't understand. But please, if you have questions about risk management, please ask, because it's a very important part of trading, and it took me a while to put together like the risk management strategy that I use. So if you have questions on it, you can ask. I'm always open to your questions.
Yeah, also chat reminder, tomorrow, no streams. Tomorrow is, well, technically 3rd of July, but it's also technically 4th of July. So it's going to be like a half market day. I do not expect it to move much. We'll see, but no streams, no London stream and no New York stream tomorrow. Just an FYI.
Perical says some traders need to read the book Best Loser Wins, need to accept loss and respect risk management. 100%. Agreed. Are you going to trade London session tomorrow, Nick, says John?
We'll see. We'll see how it moves. Probably yes.
Lou Battlegrounds, you must be new around here. Says, where is your stop loss at?
Cute.
No, Joe Bozo, New York is not half day today. Tomorrow.
Yep.
Chris says not looking good. The best coming out strong today. Yes, they are.
AG Trader says best loser wins. Nick Nation banned that book. Hell yeah, you know it, AG. We don't lose.
Oh my god. These fans are getting too much. Too
Well,
many
he's
Nick
the
fans.
Secretary of State. I mean, he's a true one, you know.
I'm sorry, it's very hard to. Can you hear the drilling going on?
No. But it's like last time when they were doing some drilling and construction in my apartment. Remember, I asked you if you can hear it. You said no.
It's just so loud. Like I have to turn you up a lot. I feel like I'm gonna be yelling. Like, what did you say? Your neighbors are working hard. They're selling. Yeah, and the thing is, it's an apartment complex. So I don't know when this drilling is gonna finish.
Never.
Who knows? Oh, you guys can hear it?
Well, what do you think? If I tell you that we can't hear it and they tell you they can hear it?
Why do they do that though? Like, what's the point of lying about that?
It's funny.
Andrea, every time, she's like, yes, we can hear it. Even with the echo yesterday, she's like, it's so echoey. And I went back and listened to the stream, guys. It wasn't even echoey. You're all very sensitive to your ears. Can't hear it.
Yes, this is my trade. I'm always on the dark charts. Selena's always on those white charts. So.
Yes, you guys already know. Joe Bozo says, Selena, Australia's playing tomorrow in the World Cup. Hell yeah, let's go. We're going to smash Egypt.
Who are they playing?
Egypt.
The last time I heard you say something like that, you lost 2-0.
Yeah, but Mo Salah who? No, we're good. We'll be at least doing this round, but I'm not sure if we can make it past that. I'll be honest, but we should be good for this round. Who's Switzerland? Is Switzerland even still in it?
Yeah, versus Algeria tomorrow.
Oh,
Algeria, it's Amos versus me.
Oh, that's right. What time? What time? 6 a.m. The hell?
My 5 a.m.
Are you waking up for that?
Yeah, I have to watch it. I have to watch the Swiss matches.
Mine's at 9 p.m. That's great. I'll be watching that. And then what have we got?
AG Trader, I saw your previous comment when you said tomorrow Swiss versus Algeria. I bet on Swiss. Then you retract the message and say, I bet on Algeria.
What?
That's funny.
All right, the next good game is probably going to be Paraguay, France is going to be good.
He says, I mistyped it. HE Trader, as a Secretary of State, you can't have typos. I'm sorry. This is your last chance.
See what I'm talking about, guys, about the dictatorship? Good luck. I mean,
no, we just want and need high level people.
No, we don't have rules, silly nation. You guys make mistakes, whatever you need.
Yeah, that's why everybody there is just gonna be fucking stupid and homeless. So.
No. Who said about homeless? I'm providing all housing for all of my people.
How's that gonna end? How are you making money?
Don't worry. This economy runs off vibes.
That sounds very promising. Sounds very promising, Celine.
And who we think is going to win the next game. It's vibes and who we think will win. That's how we make money.
Well, chat, if you voted Celine Nation, sorry for you guys.
No housing equals no rent. You tried that. Celine, it's time to enter. Phantom, I am not entering anything. Don't even try. I'm way beyond that in terms of my mental state. I've taken 2 losses. That is the max I allow myself to take on funded accounts. That is 2 losses and no more. So at the moment, I'm going to still be watching these charts, but I won't be tracking any more trades on these accounts. And that's final.
All right. Roman, let's go back to my screen. I'm still in a trade.
Veloz, Celine, do you have a YouTube channel? No, I don't. Not that I actively post on or anything like that, no.
Don Tomsey, does your wife understand Swiss German? Or she just thinks it sounds cool? I think it sounds funny.
I think it sounds funny too. I think it sounds like the Swiss characters when they talk. The Swiss. Oh my gosh. The Sim characters. The Swiss characters.
The Swiss characters. Yeah, Joe says, best thing about your show is honesty, declaring losses. That's what I'm saying. Shout out to Celine. When she takes an L, she says it. She talks about what she was thinking, what she was feeling. She gives you guys a lesson usually. So put a W Celine in the chat, everybody.
Oh, okay. Why are you being so nice now? We're meant to be at war.
You know what? I told you, I'm all about peace and love. No war here.
All right. But, well, I appreciate you guys.
No, look, we gotta respect it because there are so many fucking fake traders, streamers, influencers, whatever, who are not showing their actual trades and make everybody think they're the best. So I appreciate that you share it.
No, and like, yeah, I think it's good to keep it real because it keeps it like people can have realistic goals then as well. Like you see people passing funded accounts and getting payouts, but like you don't see how many they're going through to get to that payout status. You know what I mean? So like it's a very social media and trading. It's a very dicey environment. And I suggest just get off it or try not to get involved in it as much. Like whatever. It can be good, but most of the time in the trading space, it's pretty, what can I say? Pretty fake. But no, we keep it real. That's why Tradeify TV exists, because we keep it real. We're trading all day, live trading, pretty much all day. 3 hours in the London session, 8 hours across the New York session, and we show everything. Wins, losses, we talk about it, everything. But yes, even trading no stop loss, like you see it. You see the man himself without a stop loss. At least he's real about it. At least he's real.
We don't do stops around here. No. We coming back up. Let's see.
No stop is crazy.
Brazy. Did we hit the next like? Oh no. We need 977 likes for the next giveaway, chat. Andrea says we don't believe in the stop loss propaganda. Yeah. You know, actually, I personally think the stop loss should be renamed. It should be called a take loss. Because if you don't have one, there is no loss, right? So only if you do stop your trade at a loss do you take a loss. You're not actually stopping the loss.
Now that's a theory I could get on board with.
See?
Maybe he does make sense.
Mm-hmm.
The stop loss is the only reason I lost this trade right now. Look, I'd be in profit right now, chat. I would be in profit. What do we say about that?
The scream says you get margin call, Nick. Well, on a retail account, you don't get a margin call. You just get auto-liquidated.
Everyone's like, yes, that's brilliant.
It's brilliant. I say, amen, brother.
Oh no, Nick's gonna brainwash all of you. What is this stupid stop loss I've been using?
Yeah, we should have a petition about trading platforms needing to delete the stop loss. You know what's interesting? On NinjaTrader, when you set up an ATM strategy, you cannot set up an ATM strategy with just a take profit. You always have to put on a stop loss. And I think that shouldn't be the case.
Damn.
Yeah.
So where do you set yours?
Stops? I don't.
But then I thought you're trading on NinjaTrader.
Oh yeah, NinjaTrader. I mean, just far away.
Oh, yeah.
Very far away.
Yeah.
Hima, look, why are you in long even though price is below both EMAs? Well, because I like buying counter trend.
Take a look here, people. Roman, switch to my screen. Take a look. This was my trade. We had a 40, no, where did I enter? Somewhere here. 39, yeah, roughly 40 points. Looking to take TP at this level. Okay, watch this. Now, I'm about to hit TP on that original trade. Look where price went. It took this low. I gave it room. Hold on. I gave it room. I gave it like almost 9 points. If I keep saying to myself though, oh, I'll give it 10 points next time. Next time, give it 12 points, 13. Okay, now that's generally just like not having an idea of price. And that's just going to end up not helping me. And in that way, I'm probably going to blow these accounts. So I've got to accept that the market is random, that I could not have predicted that price went all the way to this level, 29,822. Who would have known? No one was to know that. There's nothing for me next time to do any different here. It's frustrating, yes, but what could I have done? What could I have done? It's going to go and hit TP now. I know it's going to frustrate me. 40 points, whatever, it's going there. But the thing is, if I let this affect my trading the next time and say, next time I'm going to do something different, change it every time, I'm going to end up not having my strategy. Like now I'm just trading something stupid every time. So I prefer to just stick to the rules, take this loss on the chin and move on. Whatever. It is what it is. NQ got me today. I was a liquidity. But at least I can sleep at night knowing direction-wise, the idea behind the trade, the analysis was all there. It's just a shitty stop loss. That's all.
How does one know that Selena's pissed? Instead of, Roman, can we switch to my screen, please? She says, Roman, go to my screen.
I had to vent. I'm done.
Congo Man is asking, what are the stats on the A+ setup at each level and take statistics at each level?
Levels, though? That's hard for me to take stats on at each level. I don't know what you mean by that.
HE Trader says, Celine, your last trade was not A+. It didn't do 4-hour or 15-minute liquidity sweep. Is that a prerequisite for you to take a trade?
Mm-hmm. And yes, it did. Which trade? Both trades had a 4-hour and 15-minute liquidity sweep.
He says your last trade.
Your last trade. So the one before, I'll show you. We bar replay. Here we are. What you have here is the previous 15-minute low. If I zoom in. This level here is the previous 15-minute low. We swept. That's right on 215, 216. We went traded below it as well. And then we also have previous 4-hour low up here. So that level we're already trading below. So that's technically the sweep for me. But yeah, you can see that there. 15 4-hour sweep alignment within, and then inversion within the first 10 minutes of that sweep on the 15-minute. Where is the 4-hour low? Up here, the previous 4-hour low. Wait, let me get out my demonstration. This level here. Previous 4-hour low, we trade below. Technically, I'm using that as the sweep. This is, in my opinion, going to turn into a wick within this 4-hour candle. So this is the sweep. And then I'm getting in on a bullish reaction, which is I use a 1-minute inversion here at 218. So that were the two sweeps. I hope that's more clear, AG Trader.
Okay, now the Congoman is adding to his question, and when you said it can't be defined to what level, he says exactly, then how can one know what is an A+ setup? What is the statistical probability of each and every one of the setups given the levels versus a constant? Where is the constant?
Where is the constant? As in, there is always...
Because in the setup, everything is variable, right? 4-hour sweeps to 15-minute sweeps.
As in where those levels are is variable, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't trade based on levels, definitely not. Okay, there's TP. Lol. What's he saying? So where is the constant in this trading? Well, yeah, the A+ setup is not based on price. So I only use variables, hence the results are variable by entry.
Roman, by the way, let's please go back to my screen.
That is why A+ setups are less likely to work, because I don't know the probability of the trade. Wait, what are you talking about now? Oh, look at this. Look at this. I
mean, the way I understand it is he's saying if everything is variable and you don't have constants, then your outcome / your result is going to be variable as well.
But there are constants. What do you mean?
No, because it's every single time it's a different level. For example, I'll give you an example. That's another hint. Okay, you asked me before when do you take profit on your trades, right? You hear me all the time. I always say 63 1/4, 70 1/4. I say 01 1/4, right? I say 18 1/4. It's always the same. That's a constant, for example.
Like my take profit is based on a fixed RR, so it's not going to be always the same amount of points every single time. I get that. Because it's RR, so it's like 1-to-1, but like what is that 1-to-1? Because my stop changes. The size of the stop does change, yes, that's variable. Okay, I get that. But then in a back test, I back tested with a stop loss to that swing point. So you can use that data because it's the same every time. That stop is always at that low. Like that's mechanical. Yeah, Andre says the constant is waiting for the sweep. Every one of your ideas are variable not being just asking you level 2 and 3 deep statistical probability. I know, like I did not study probability in mathematics, but I'm trying to tell you that this is mechanical at the end of the day. There are certain things that need to happen for it to be A+. No sweeps are variable. I don't know, Congo man. You've lost me now. I think her stop loss concept is a very correct example. It's too hard to type, yeah.
Yeah,
all right,
Congo has to come on stream. That would be another proof that I'm not Congo man, by the way. Just saying.
Maybe. Well, look, I understand you have a deeper level of statistical probability than I do, but I'm just saying this, the way I trade this, the reason why I was able to be printed in like an indicator even in that form is because there is logic to it. It is mechanical and it does look for certain things to play out. That's all I can say on that. Slim, make the requirement to have 4-hour sweep to also happen in the first 15 minutes as well, friend.
He says, I will come on via voice. Ooh. Are we going to have
Scary.
to call Not scary. That's awesome.
Via voice.
Just no camera. Okay, by the way, my trade is approaching first target here, 30,001.25. Again, full transparency. If I take this off at 01.25, that's going to be a loss, okay? Because remember, first time I entered this trade was at 6 p.m. market open. And as you can see here, that was at 30,096 and a quarter. So I'm going to take a 95-point loss on that one contract. But what does that do for me? It's going to bring my average down. And if we go lower again, I then have more room and a lower average. So it's going to be easier to get out of the position. That's what I mean when I say I've worked the position and I'm willing to be in this position until end of day. I don't care. I can be in this for 10 hours. It really doesn't matter. Here it is. So now we got 3 macros left. As you can see, realized profit, as I just told you, negative 194. However, unrealized profit 660. So if I closed right now, if I flattened right now, that would mean I would be in profit, right? So I don't really care about the realized. So as soon as we reach the second contract, that's gonna put me back in profit because the buy for that was at 980. It's gonna be at 60. Actually, it's gonna put me a little bit below profit. Still not gonna be profitable, but I'm gonna be like negative 40 or something. And then with the next one after that, I'm gonna be very nicely in profit. So it's just planning for what's to come. I dropped so many hints today, chat. Way too many.
Still not enough. We're still very confused.
Very confused. No need to be confused.
And that was full TP, a previous day low. That was full TP. So there you have it, chat. There you have it. Lovely.
Let's go back to her screen, Roman, really quick.
Beautiful price action here from NQ.
Oh, it wicked you, huh?
Absolutely.
Oh, where was your stop?
No, my stop was just...
Oh, okay. I was like, wait a minute. Did it actually bottom tick you? But okay.
Sling gone, shot and full port some evals. I might have to load up. Might have to take another reload because this is frustrating as hell.
So I think there's a good lesson though, because you really are, and I said this again, shout out to you. You are really good at reflecting and analyzing yourself and teaching people a lesson. I know it's not easy, and maybe you don't really want to do this right now. However, I know it's going to be super valuable for the chat to hear what your thoughts are. So right now, in this very moment, if you don't want to answer it, it's fine, but what are you feeling?
Ooh, okay. Well, being real is, I've always been real with the chat. So I will say I am feeling frustrated that even when you follow the rules, it still can, NQ can still, whatever you're trading, your trade can still go against you. So in saying that, yes, I'm happy that I stuck to my rules, but I'm frustrated that even doing that, I still cut me I'm still at a loss here. And quite a big loss on the day now because that was the second loss. So 2 losses, I'm now out. So I now don't even have the risk in my account that I'm willing to trade with because I just don't want to do that to the fundeds. So now I'm frustrated in that too because I'm like, well, this was a great second trade to be in. Like that is a great setup. Everything was there. The analysis was there. That's exactly where I wanted to see price go. Previous day low level. Nice 100 points, easily could have been green on the day, but I'm red. So when I think about that too much, the fact that I am red, this trade has now gone pumped 100 points, would have had me nicely green on the day, but instead I'm red. That's the part that really frustrates me. But the only thing I can hold true to myself and say like I'm actually happy with is that I was in that trade. It's good that I'm in that trade because tomorrow or later in the New York session, if I get a setup and I'm hesitating that, and then that's the one that goes and smashes TP and I'm not in it, because for whatever reason I'm scared or hesitant because I took a loss, or don't trust my statistics, don't trust my probability, that's going to do me worse not taking that trade. So that's what is keeping me calm and stable, because I know if I am not in this setup tomorrow, later today, and it plays out, I'm going to be even more upset. So I'm happy that I took it, happy that I trusted the process, the rules and everything. Then there's nothing I could have done or changed or fixed in terms of my stop loss. Like, that is just where I decided to put it. Reflecting, maybe like, I think structurally, like this structure down here, these equal lows, this swing point, I think that's probably more so where the trade would have been invalidated. Like if we were to break these lows, I think that's more of significance than, which is also these 15-minute stacked lows here. I think that's definitely, like, in hindsight, the structure that was more of a significant place for price. So putting it below this low, when you look at that low, like, what is that on the 3-minute? It's not even a swing point. Like 5-minute, no, it's nothing. It's a 1-minute swing low, and that's never as strong as like a high time frame swing point. So that's the only thing here. Like, why did I anchor it to that price? I know why. It's because the size of the risk was around 40 points already from this. So we have had a lot of volume this session, and that's something that I also have rules for. Like, I don't want to be taking trades that have too much of a risk size. So putting my stop down here is 78 points. So it's just a lot heavier than I would have liked to trade with. But in hindsight, still 2 micros with a 78 point, like, that's fine. I could have easily, and I would have still been alive. These lows never got tagged out. They're actually still alive. So the trade would have hit, and I would have had a better stop down here. So something to consider, I think, for sure. But that's all that I'm feeling. That's the honest truth. Frustrated, but also happy that I took that trade as well.
Well, thanks for sharing, and everybody now definitely that deserves a W, Celine, in the chat for being honest and transparent and actually talking about it, because it's not easy. I mean, there's 1,000 people watching, and that's tough. Shout out, Celine.
All right. Well, with that, what likes are we at? Let's do a giveaway for these guys.
906. Not yet. But Roman, let's please go back to my screen. I'm still in the trade. 906. Oh, we already were. Sorry, my bad, Roman.
906. What did we say? Wait, 910.
We said 977.
Okay, 977. All right.
977 likes. We can do it. It's like, what now? 59 more.
We'll get there. Sanjab says, Celine, you see, you should trade without a stop loss. Now you would have 2 wins in a row. I know. Nick knows what he's doing, chat. Nick knows. Over there in Nick Nation, they do know a little bit about trading.
Hello from Finland. Damn. Hello, Finland.
Abjad says, before we used to see the name on the screen was easier. Now we know Celine Light Mode, Nick Dark. But New York session, we don't know. That's funny. How to join the lucky draw. Guys, when we hit the like goal, Nick's going to send a form in the chat. Don't worry. Nick, that comment.
Well, they're speaking spiritually. It's Mercury retrograde. It just happened, Celine. The funny thing is, Nick's position is always on retrograde before the retrograde. Sure.
We're
my
not.
Trades are in profit because of Mercury retrograde. Yes, you are so right.
Wrong stream.
Damn it! You found my strategy.
Oh, it's because of.
It's Mercury retrograde.
That's why you're wrong. It's all about the moon and the stars. It's the. I get it, Nick. Sorry, this is the wrong stream, Migs Lionheart. Nick and I are not those people.
No. Try with Miriam. I think she's gonna love that.
The Mercury trading?
Yeah.
Mercury.
Yeah, she's gonna love it.
Full moon strat. Wait, it was actually a full moon the other day. Really? I think.
Jonathan says the sun is up, go long.
Funny story. My name actually translates to moon in Greek. And so it was a full moon the other day and I was extremely exhausted. And I said, oh, it's because I'm too busy being the moon for everyone because I'm a full moon, get it? And I was so tired. I was like, maybe I got a point there. Maybe I really am the moon. But it literally translates Celine is moon in Greek.
Celine is moon.
I am moon.
I am moon. Everyone, I am moon.
I am moon.
I am the moon now.
Celine was goddess of the moon. Yeah, that sounds cooler. Nick's name's translated to world leader.
Yes, sir. You know it.
That's so funny. Celine, your name is literally the song of Nikki. I don't know what that is.
I don't know either.
Celine equals moon equals go short. No, Celine equals moon means we rocket to the moon. Moon is up. Moon means long. Means moon means go long.
Mr. Mojo, how much did you lose on Congo, Nick? I lost $100 Swiss francs, so it's about $120.
The vision. Wait, how much did you say?
About $120.
Oh, all right. That's chill. The visionary, there is an actual moon phase indicator on TradingView. What? That's true as well. Brian says, Celine, you say you missed the move. How would you look into getting back instead of FOMO? Actually, I never said I've missed this move. I just don't take more than 2 losses on a funded account. So if I do trade again, it will be on evals. Don't feel like I've missed this move at all. Like I said, previous 4-hour high is like full targets, but I wanted to just take full TP off there at previous day low. But I still think we can get all the way up to Asia high here. I 100% think that. I want to see this 4-hour now should be, yeah. The 4-hour looks much nicer now. We are leaving this wick behind in the 4-hour gap. And there is a lot of room to make up here to the upside. So I'm in full belief these longs will play out. In terms of getting back in, need to see, again, the same sort of structure happen. I need to see a drop, so retracement back to sweep out previous 15-minute low, and then entering once we get that sweep inside of the 15-minute candle, entering off an inversion. So we'll see. Previous 15-minute low is sitting inside that 4-hour gap again, 29,915. But I'm not sure we're going to have that drop now. What I'd prefer to probably see is this 15-minute candle close confirming a 15-minute gap here. So then we've got a bullish and fresh new bullish 15-minute gap to play out of. So we could see this be a new gap, and then we use this like this with the drawing tool. The new 15-minute candle opens, wick stands into this gap, respects the midpoint, and then take longs out of here would be nice as well.
All right. Lasse is asking, are you from Switzerland? I am, yes. Are you?
Are you?
Just changed my profile pic to one with the moon.
He's got the mind blown. Danish, but recently moved to... Oh, Zurich is cool. Love Zurich.
Nice. Leah says Lasse is definitely from Sweden. No.
Oh.
Almost.
Celine is a French feminine name derived from Latin meaning heaven or sky. Yes, but the translation to Greek is moon, guys. Please let me have that. I want to be the moon.
Service, what platform is this? This is TradeC. If you get a Tradeify account with Rhythmic connection, that's what you're going to be trading on.
Are we Anywhere closer to this like goal? Come
Almost.
on, chat.
19 more.
Let's do
19 more
it.
likes. We're going to give away another account. The African says, I'm from Uganda. Congo man here too. Well, you're not the Congo man, but you might be friends or something. I don't know.
Carksten says, I'm about to pass my eval thanks to you, Nick. Let's go. Let's go, chat. You know, it's a win for me if you guys win.
Hey, there you go.
I feel better.
There we go. Nick uses the walking pad indicator. If it beeps at him after 2.5 minutes, he goes long.
Oh, is that something? Maybe you
Well,
work something out.
that will be a constant because it beeps 5 times at 2.5 minutes. I know that.
Jody says, how is it Sling gets more likes when she's by herself? Well, I do a lot of begging. It's probably because every 5 minutes I'm like, guys, like the stream. Whereas when we're together, Nick and I end up talking the whole 3 hours. We forget to remind you guys to go and like the damn stream, chat, because we want to do a giveaway. Come on.
5 more likes. We're there. Almost.
We're almost there.
Almost. Aurora trades. Yes, you can copy trade on trade. See, definitely can. Oh, we got the like goal. All right, chat. Another giveaway. Another giveaway. So if you want to join this giveaway, all you got to do is you have to like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, type. Can I talk? Fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do more than once, you'll get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what the form is, how the form is, what shape of form I'm in, or any sorts of questions like that, you are going to get disqualified too. And if you ask me how to join the giveaway, you're going to get super mega disqualified. So here's the link. Congo man, don't you dare ask where the form is. I know it's tickling. Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Don't you do it.
What the hell?
Huh?
My phone just made a weird noise. Strange.
You're what? Your fan?
My phone.
Your phone? What kind of weird noise does your phone make, yeah?
It's a bit of a weird, like, buzzing noise, but...
A little buzzing noise, yeah?
Yeah, it's a bit of a bottle of water.
A little bottle of water? All right, thank you. Coming back up.
Ooh, these lungs are on, Nick. You got this.
I got my cat just fell off the printer.
I just heard this. What did he fall off?
Of the printer. He was looking at a little fly or something and wanted to catch it, and then he fell off.
Oh, Bluey?
Blue, yeah.
Blue.
You want to join the stream?
Come on, Blue.
Well, I'll go get it.
What was that?
Hello.
You okay, Blue? Had a bit of a fall?
Yeah, he had a bit of a fall.
Walking with the cat looks so funny.
Yeah, it's now not a walking pad, it's a walking cat.
Hello, Blue. Cats are just always so tired.
Yeah, he is. But it's also very hot for him right now, so.
Oh, yeah.
Too hot.
You gotta come to Greece, Blue. We have AC here.
He's like, nah, I don't like tzatziki. He's a design guy.
Santana Flex. Celine, I was down negative 700. That was tough. Did you come back? Santana, let us know.
Fleeks. No flex.
Oh, Santana Fleeks. Santana, did you come back from that loss? Let's know. I want to know. Yes, Wag, there are so many stray Greek cats.
True.
Evil Knievel Trade says, Celine, Celine, is that how you take partials in TradingView? The way you take partials is through your broker. Like I set my orders through Tradeify and then it shows on TradingView. I'm not trading on TradingView as such. So I set like my limits. I have multiple limit orders, and that's how I partial out of my trades.
There you go. Scum Production says I was down 1K on the day, now running in $800 of profit. Nice. Well done.
Oh, Santana came back. She said, I love London Gang. Yes, 1K TP hit. Let's go.
I think Santana's a guy, not a woman, but I'm not sure. Maybe. Are you a Mr. Santana or a Mrs. Santana?
We also have Jex in there. $30 and I passed my account. Let's go.
Nice.
Almost there.
Oh, we got 1,000 likes. Hey.
Shit.
All right, let's do this giveaway. Nick is my daddy is back in. Funny. Okay, let's see who wins the. What's this? The third giveaway after me?
The fourth. We gave away 2 before.
Oh, damn it, Congo. He says, what shape is the form? You're disqualified. And I know you're going to type damn it with 3 exclamation marks.
Okay, chicken.
That's a constant as well, by the way.
Okay, chicken.
It's not chicken.
Sure.
I promise you, it is
Where
not
is chicken today, Nick?
I don't know. It's not chicken and it's not me. I promise you. Okay, spinning. The winner of this giveaway is Hunter Boy.
Let's go, Hunter Boy.
Hunter Boy 5643. Type something in the chat. Hunter Boy.
They're putting corn in the chat to bring chicken out.
They're trying to lure him. Summon the
Hunter
chicken.
Boy. Congo Man is Simba. Now that would be crazy.
Oh, I don't think so. Where's Hunter Boy? Is he here? Can't see him. Oh, there he is. It says here.
Oh, there is.
Yeah. Okay. So let's see what you win, sir. You get either a growth, a select, or a lightning funded account. So spinning. Let's see. That's a 100K select account. Nice. A 100K select account for you. All you got to do to receive it is you have to add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it is your Tradeify login email, and we're going to be sending you your free account within the next 7 days.
Hell yeah. Well done.
Congratulaciones.
Another winner for the stream. That's 4 accounts today. 5 yesterday, 4 today. We're on a roll, chat.
It's another stream with constantly 1,000 views and over 1,000 likes. So well deserved, chat.
Chat, we are becoming the biggest London session out here. Just saying.
Yep. That is very true. All right, NQ. My next target I said is 63.25. So once that hits, I'm gonna be at a very small loss on the day. And if I would flatten, I would obviously be in profit right now. Because I have, in realized losses, I have 194, let's call it $200. And I got 830 unrealized, let's call it 800. So I'm up 600 if I flatten right now.
Mm-hmm.
But we'll see if we can get the target.
Longs are good. Longs are the play, Nick. You got this.
We'll see. Sure looks like it right now.
Shout out to the London gang, DD80.
Yeah, he knows. He knows. The man knows. Let's see. Well, speaking of shout out, I would say put a big fat W in the chat if you enjoyed today's session. Put an L in the chat if you hated every single aspect of it, which I hope you didn't. Shout out again to Celine. That's what the W's are for as well. And then As said, tomorrow we will not have any streams. However, today, as usual, our 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time New York session stream with the Spud, and then I'll join in at 9 a.m. Celine, before we leave and go into a longer weekend than usual, any motivational words for the chat? Anything you want to leave them with?
Just that I think I went into a lot of the motivational stuff already in the stream, but you guys know we keep it real. Appreciate you guys being very supportive. Obviously, it's hard to take losses. It's hard to take losses in general. It's even harder to take a live in front of 1,000 people. But I'm glad you guys are here because you guys are the best chat. The best, I'm going to put out there, best chat on YouTube in general. Always supportive. We appreciate you. Make sure, like Nick said, you're there in the New York session. And then we will have a longer weekend. So we won't see you till Monday. But Monday, I'll be there 7 a.m. UK. Make sure you're there. Enjoy your weekend, enjoy the break, be safe, and I'll see you Monday.
Yep. See you guys.
Love you guys. Peace out.